Bema ne menu aba wode we fidie ato Adom TV Badwam dwumadie we ne fa we eye nkranhyensem na osomfo Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego me debre wo enye nhirama ho adom nomo omontene so nwo broko na suto pa entongu obrabo so adwuma so ware so na obibia so na me nhira wate ade ba ko so a edini panya ya eche ni pa brabo bebe ababa ko duro eye bite sika osehwa wode unim sika ya moja mpa. In fact, majority of us are controlled by money, but don't allow money to control you. I don't just say sika nye. I don't just say sika eye bonsam. Unim say abrabo aye bui. Ebi abeyo bia nyina so eye sika. Entunya sika eye. But what I'm saying that don't allow your decisions to be controlled by money. Sika ye. Sika edimu ebuane mebebre. But don't allow your decisions to be controlled by money. If you are choosing to do something only on the factor that you are going to get money, you just made the wrong mistake. So person oshe bibiase. Na wadwen se me koya pesika obua wonye yeda ukoyo apenimdie ukoye amobi ho atono ukoye amobi abrabo adimu asafata wahunu se phones are you use ni ade obi anye so pesika o oye ne sesebe ye na montin so betimi akasa ohwe hunu se phones are wo fie ne friend landline untimi fa kosi krum entini timo po eni se wo ye phone na nipa wona montin so ebe kasa oye ye ne sika ne ba kire o itimo po anya se me kopesika o ma sika di okan a o da ne kronfo o ma sika di okan a o nya de ma huntwa o ma sika di okan a o nya de ma nsemfata demom o ye ade a so nipa ni o ye ade ma manfa so abra nipa so a sika no ebedi akire. When you follow your heart, when you follow your intention to serve others, to give your best to others, you make the money. So dia koma pechi. So udi opepechi se me kwa kosom. Na ma de safata ma foforo a obeye. Ya memu ha. Dodo na na wo ye bibi opesika. Ye ntu ameka. Na no obi wo se me ka kire o. Ene me ka ma bakwase bi a kire o. Tamu a me ba Adom FM e wotema no. Na me drabu finkra ha ekotema. Me nda bia ena me se wo kwada bia ekoye program ka prayer mfa mame na so na me de se me kasa ahye nkrofo nkran enti ma hwe sika me nya na Adom ya me hwe se me ko hye nkrofo nkran me koya ko simra me be Adom live worship na me de eye me nyankopon ene se be ye bo Adom din a me din bata ho ye wa me fi Adom ho a metimi aka se ebeye enso enya me ya anse me de me pe pa ena ba Adom ma me nka ba kwase me so nchira o se me Adom TV na me shase wo TV station me fan TV Africa emra me edmo TV Africa no for 3 years na ye ntua me kakapre me kokko transe na papa na matutu me ntuma me ntuma so na me de ko na ma be kasa sa hye nkuran me se da ye tua me ka no ma me nchira o ye ma mo si Ghana sika 500 Ghana cedis. Many GS ye me mama and then crofona ma sika o na ma metias no we. E san said am kan say obi ba TV so be advert 1 minute per gini sika. Me dem tra TV so e kasa 30 minutes anyi sika. Enti e ma ho sepe se me ye dwumadie no. Na me ye ya ma so abanfoso wa akwana asaso ama me. Wa hono abrabo aye boyi. Se me disikachi a na nkofo ntua meka na me nkobio dabi me maybe I look at the benefit to others more than what I'll get. Enye sika no sika de menya na nso meja ho akọ se me tuwe me disika pimpim ekosi me dan mu na me wu a de be yan se de beto adaka ma me de aka nyina me ma ne me nanom ne bedie na se akwa we po sika gu o sika de ye na nso sika di ukan a e ma ye sisifo sika de ye sika di ukan ma oye timodini sika de ye na sika de di ukan ma oye kronfo eye ndede ani ma wopepa eni ukan ma wosompa eni ukan metimopo eni ukan say mesom nipa na mfaso aba me so. Every time when you follow your passions and give your best out of your own soul, money will come anyway. Sika ebeba. All you have to do is to identify a problem that people are facing and create a solution for them. Definitely, you make your profit. Challenge your life to live a better life. Challenge your life to be free from everything. Challenge your life to make other lives better. Catch on say, baby, I'm obiano. Me de sefata am obi ho atono. E de na to see my brabom. De na to see my dwumam. E de na to see obi abrabom. E de na betimi ayo na e de mfaso de aba. Why shouldn't I do it if I can do it? Why? I don't mean to mean you. Omra betimi ayo. Yes, I don't mean you because you can and to make a year. Share. So this is catching now when you see my ha. The more papa, actually do papa chia. We show him crying, Eddie Safata. Baby, I knew so. Baby, I knew what. Then so you a papa. And the jeer now was a swapper and the Eddie Ayo. Now, no, my baby frame, I need to echo. So what I sent Ekasa. Oh, Adom TV, where they are bombosia bear 40,000. I'm so when you. Who can say second me, you may dear me. This second, a dimpa. I said, Obi Hobeton, I said, Monsieur been crying, and I made a me. Sikana ba, mesum. Na sikana one number beba. Sikana will not quite ever so about a side of me, and to me, Messica, any me kind. Minia, find your freedom and live your life to the fullest. Find your freedom and live your life according to your passion. There are no more any so any more any one the entire baby into me. You want to say, but my oya no kwan nenye ho. Odmo oya na mfini mu. Obi a doctor no akoye bie. Obi a nurse no akoye bie. Obi a journalist no akoye journalism. Obi a adum no so me adum TV. And say oya kakra na sikara ma me ma bre me nye hwe. So if your pepem no odem na oya emfa ho. Ensuo kra be nom. Now ayo. Now what time machine said that hene. Now kura camera I said Thomas. Now kura Mike I said Frank. Now the share man for assume. Now oh ye wadwuma. Found the ma wo dan kwamba. Emfa so ebebo abrabo so wate. Wo so wani bagye. Enti enta sikachi eni sikachi bebrebe. Udi sikachi bebrebe a eda no musuo. Di opepachi. Di osumpachi. Ne di abrabo a wankasa obefiri wo pemu. Asum obi na wode abedwaro e ba na sha sika abedwaro wa hono abrabo ayebu ye woni a pesika na woni a pa wosompa ma menchiro se woni a disika chi no wode atimode ene ensem fata e wode pesika woni a ope nyoma ebebo obi no wode adwumaden tuwache wopepa na wosompa ene e dia won ye na se de te bia obabeto woni a pesika no asan won ho ka che won say meto won yakopɛ sika asa won ho say me do pepa tim papa adwumade no sompa ebesom me ho ene nkrofo aka mepe de ato sin obi nipa baba mu na meye aboa wom onyame enhyira wo onyame nkura wo onyame nya o mama esanse wo yo mama o TV to Adom TV mo mama na da ache hene ase me producer ba akopɛ na me na Thomas so ase me cameraman ba ko me na Frank me sound engineer ba ko me na MCR lighting for ase wa onya mrehwe me so no oni onyame entina
wakwa ba yada semrani adaji a wanya de hwa Adom TV Badwam yada ni tekotegu ase enkwanshan sama no penso ode abreye de adu so no Adom TV Badwam kase ne etodwa mu bi ya wo betie nie assemblyman na de hye na nanom so ka ho bi enede wo mo se chama wuntumi akwan na wo hye ase na wagya to won bra beye fama won ye de no nsam no ebebro na fei yakọ nanam so de na desre ato edwa kiremu se nei wono mo ehunu eye waterfalls bi wo mpatamu ho penifo hu so aso omu yi wo mani afiri ho wo maye bibi pa bi mfiri ho na mfaso emra so eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase me dem live on Facebook/Adom TV Go TV channel no ye 119 DSTV channel no eye 280 medin afia amankwa tamaklo afia ne DMT nsam no nkyeremu ankasa penifo ne adehye wodi aso wasa mampon enene wodi to mampani adodankwa akufo adoanim se contractor eye chama wuntumi won sound kaneti kono omra ekwan no a wo so mu no a wajade ato ho no ene yi kromafo no ahwe ampanifo ma meto aso ti wo mu angasa hyase so wo mu ye bibi wo ho no na Adom kase pini ho a wo mu de sansemi etudwa
che ana esi na na adoni ne mpanifo so ekoko board ti ebesa ona abobo ahedu ahaya ni area say omoye say dey ebesa na okaya kan koko road ho no omoye ewon so mo ba so mo ba be omo ja kwesi ndie asa odi obi etwa nsuo na adona kodu vivi no waja no afiko na mo say atwadifo ani adomafo binum so omo nam sa akwan so ye no omo so ni nkomo
say awo kan na fa kwa we so obedu wo a obabewu obetumi abasa obakora no wo no obetumi ewu ebi say wuduru sa bia na eni kwa sa ka wururu wo ebi kura enya ka moto so na wote ye enti ubedu no na oba na ewu oba enwu a wo no oba bewu
ufidi aso eba asensu ene akatreka ene wasama mpokwan no edie no krede eba akopekwan ne de enye ntie sraban ne sei wonye yemwa na omeye kwan no maye na apemfo ne abata ne school fo nkwele ya wumgu kai no wo mu huna mane yi pa
nananum akrodua mu so ewa ha ye nananum so ni komo ne bisa nananum sei anama ban e na omo so etuo
oman no anankuro na ewo ha area na se yakope machine haya ye de ye anya sa ye bekem ti me stretch ma wuntimi ene nanakufu ado se ema ekwom ne nipa no mane yafunu nya ne ya ansa na akire wa manaduane
Mayento akasia no so na nana ya wowo sahwi bonzan wo dwaboso mensimu wo Western North Mantemu ye nana ofori ahenka otosumienu wode adesre na to aban no anim se wo mpotemu ho no wahunu waterfall bi wo ho no mu a faso wo so pa ntimpanifo mra mesiesie honye hoyie na nameno so amasrafo aba ho ade sika abrekro no ene oman nana ne Adom TV edi nkomoyi
ma bobe ye wache you ngobo so waterfalls no ngobo enwo wai chama me biala ongo ye juma biala boye okosechi so waterfalls na ya ko che to wo ya aya ho entina na mo be wa wenu wonya wan be misra ho ama bokaye ma ye develop so waterfalls na se ye develop no ye ya ediepa ne mo bobo ye wo ju weekenda emoko wa e bo ju na de se de bo fact bo inu ne je yele waterfalls bi bobiti ya discover zawa na it needs raw state boye ya bra ti ya ko semo ko be offices ne mo na emo de ego mo boye be wo Ministry of Tourism emone be jujua emama be so wote cheyele so ajapade no
enra de don hwe be se mienu ene kakra de na kane MPP amanyoko dwam tenani ya wono anso eye namon dana ya wotoso emienu eti adwam den parliamentary ad hoc committee no anim efa ani bi eba monten a esiso se nipa bi bo poso meyi IGP de free ho ntie wieye no na se bugri na bo waje atum sasa ene recording no wono na ye de koso ho Adom kase ediba.
What are your conversations with people who call you?
No, Mr. Chairman.
So what led to the recording of this particular conversation?
Mr. Chairman, the reason was behind it was that, look, they are coming to tell me to go and meet them, tell the president issues that they know or they are saying. Either I don't go to tell the president and then me and my party suffer for it. I cannot keep everything they were talking to me at that point. it was very, very good to record them so that.
Ora bugi nabu ede ninsem atudwa na waji tumu no. Ni nyinechi no yene dwomtenani edema eye committee no yera Samuel Atachia etwe nkomo ono nso sei enoka no.
Nkomo no nkofo ni di no. Aha na ne nti otepu ni so person de come president ye den president tie na ne president be no de aye. Ti asem de tie also no kasa otepu no so. On no kasa so abobo nyina di. Nti Thursday no nyame hu mamba be from. Beti obia ne wo tape no so ansa na ye evaluation of evidence no
enipa be dunum de won mo eprepra ewotuo ya ekasa ye emu ama abambofo nso ade nso ka ho ebi ni nyina ne se kromafo ne bambofo wo Tamale District Court hodomo wo Northern Region de ne se wani se okache de akofa ba ya Adom kase etwaso
Omanfo bi a womo Tamale echi nipa bi a womo susu se sa nipa no edi enubone ho edwa sa nipa a womo echi ni na nke wo se okopie mu e wo Tamale Circuit Court omanfo wo mpatem ho no edi sumbo abo aposifo se womo etasa omanfo a womo di enubone ho edwa e wo mpatem ho no echi na mabunu yi ekopie mu e wo court wa na omo twense nipa yi ebeba bepie mu e wo ho no womo ni aposifo e wo ho no edi kosie ni amenam so ama nipa ebro 15 kra epraye mamefo ni aposifo bi kura nso epraye enipa bi a womudi wonani ehu de ekoso no ene Adom News nsentwofo twetwe ho nkomo no nsem sei na omudi tudwa.
We know there's a businessman who is alleged to be involved in this trade and is in court with the tax force. And this morning, we know before even the case was heard, there were tensions and a number, over 10 people have been injured. We understand a woman was shot in the breast, and with a number of people, I mean men are currently receiving treatment at the Tamale Teaching Hospital. It is even alleged that the said woman has passed on, but we can't confirm that.
Adom TV Badwam kase na oshano na kasamafo de ma presidential na MPP presidential elections committee no Alexander Kwame na Fenyo Markins na ene wode ato aspirant ni nyina anim obi a wonwinwi haha wasem bi ehye ne ho eso wo mo okwan a party no bibi ekire obi adwuran wo de fa so wo mfamfa ho na yie ntoyi Adom kase edeba
yie ntum nka de yempanyinfo a yetifie yenhu de BBAC nanso onfa ye ho ofa ye ho ne de minti ye tonsa zafre wona worka wo mframem de nzama kra na bibi ankoye na was wasam abotugwa na yete ho
Ora Fenyo Markin enam sa akwanya so de adesrede eto wonuma wo pre di bre enya manyeko na chitafo nyina se ohwe kwampa ya obefa so a so wonti bibi ase a wodo wonsem ebefa na Badwam MPP amanyeko no enimu abenyam
anamon biara ode yetu na oza asomdwe ban inyan as committee yebotu na mom ye kakai party members so there party mbrano obeye adwuma ma obi biara emfa party nambra inshana nisem yen nyinara yenanyim nyama ni yenizina yekita
so for bedi ache ye wo hwa nwumasua so ye owura John ntim fojo na wose aban na sinkete ne tichio ne ministry no se wo mo beye na aban schools ahodo no de ebegina ne naso abrane se beye awofo no akono na wode won manum ebewura mu sen eye private ones no baby okan ye Adom TV kase edeba.
The significant transformation that we have seen in this school over the past 4 years. Students have done their part, parents have done their part, teachers, and all these thanks to the collaboration we have with Right to Play, who, with the support of Lego Foundation, have ensured that we introduce very relevant methodologies in the way that we teach our children. Children learn through play. Children learn when they are engaged and involved in the learning. And so a lot of teachers have been trained in the partners in play to teach and to deliver their teaching through learning.
Enwachi waka edika ho se omasoye nani sode hono baako paa ne se aban schools ahodo wo my Ghana mu no ombetimi atoto nyema yi amane tumpon na ya akono na enu aboa ma abaten ani ache ho se ne se omode omma be kwa nkurankura school mu.
The determination of Dr. Osarichum, the Minister of Education, and as it resonates with all of us at Ministry of Education, is to transform our public education system, to make it so attractive and to increase the quality such that many parents would rather choose to bring their wards to public schools than to take them to private schools.
World Vision Ghana and the Ministry of Sanitation and Water Resources akawo ho abomu a womo ehwama ahunidia mapa koso ewe yempotemu nene womo de fa sukuufo no eso na wono madi sa adwuma ya second annual children sanitation fair wono mo adia botaye ni nyina ne se schools no ebenya ambassadors a wombebo dawro afa ahunidie eho.
Empowering children for a better future is everyone's responsibility. World Vision is doing this through community development programs to tackle the root causes of children's vulnerability, such as poverty and poor environmental sanitation and hygiene.
Technical specialist ya oda World Vision ano ya ata ahi enso ekyerɛkyerɛ usukuu ni a odi nkunim ɛwɔ quiz dwumadie no mu no dwumadi a osese wodi ɛne de keka ho.
The objectives are setting man no ebam edi kan no yehu se Ghana mofra no enya awareness kese se o se wode wo ho hye ahonidie ho nsɛm mu enti second edition no ba bia kro bia nketo anyina wo se na obi twiro ese aba eno kyerɛ nse akwa akyiri na eto so nso no se wo hwɛ semi finals na ene mofra no se na musi demonstrate knowledge and understanding of sanitation e kyerɛ nse dwumadie no agi nhini
le krakra mu na adwoa jako a apia kubi ya ono eni school ni a ngunimdi ekoma no ewo school sanitation solution challenge dwumadie no mu no so edi to dwa se obedi betumi bia se dwumadie odi ahye ne nsa no obehwede ni pepepe ameso abanfa so
ada odemenyi ma me pede me yen de me kire Ghana for mens ma wo betu won regu wo kwan pado na wa agbo ma ya ma Ghana aye omana nimu ye nimu to wo wiase
Mienye no so na Adom TV Badwam kase no ha ne brema kwan na media sie medi afia amankwa tamaklo mamenye sankrato isimayimra de bonkrata no wa ha online stories no so ho kwasinsie ka ho na de atoso yekwaba se mo akwa ba biem se me ka kire se yenche se wo hwe ya ye mo ache wo na afi ne dikan wo hwe ye mo ache ye de kase ne kranchensem no akwa akogudu edu so no de bonkrata abeka yensa ne online stories no so ye de bro shanon si ye pe agudie mu nsam ebeba professor ye krado de bebro na fe health tips no so ye de aba shanon so se wiki mu depression e ho nkomo na ye di ahosapen so ho ne dwumtuni kese ba ko a nso tonima na wo se guwo orma mbwatima so ebedi enkomo na fe asemidi kan ho na pensem mu so ato so eno ne Badwam na shows wo Adom TV de bekoso a ewo ho nti sa wo free fie de radin fa onko join your live on Facebook/Adom TV wo offices baby abeko bia na Go TV a channel no benya yen ewo 119 na DSTV channel no so ye share 280 Bismarck memo akwaba na bia boko de o nyame adom wo hwede ne ma ekoya betimi adi
oh yes as antimam point pin me demonstrate
o demonstrate wo ye bibi ho de nyasa wo tinka ha na wo to mani
me demonstrate I just say emrante na jimatu mabawa na jimatu mebunu ene tamechi because ye ne hia sakraye wona bidi akonya no so say members of parliament no unfortunate for us omo hwede ntwa taw
wo hwe ye be no wo hwe ye be
in the next few years to come
few years ye wo years nti few no ye de
so that's who Adom TV you be calling me say honorable pacho
ya bompa ye nkwane ya
afanchi akoma santimampo adeshi nyina anopanya menhire no nkoso nye kese nchia kese so nkoma ye hene dasebre osebonsu ya otosumienu
yo
ene hima papa bi nana ajakoma difie ya onso tosumi nana no ye chiamo ene anope efia anope nyen papa so prophet pokusi apia ye nwen ne twenkomo no amien sesi fam
se nu ahwefo be kaya
me fa nko anu but baby am pese e digina ne say ubo ni din say
prophet
mamo ma yense Eradi din ma yen pese me hu da me pese me use the ma a whole prophet and I say a better title keke near title bi na nkofo fefa to wo ho so hwe wo ankasa panimu minimu one na mete ye wo panimu dua ne ba bi asori a wo da no asori me hye wase na prophet sa Daudi so nye nipa bia keke se bia kofi wusu bia normal kofi wusu prophet Daudi eso komsheni na wa kasa mu wogitu mu juada no pa Awurade ahwe so de ahye na wotwefufuro mu na wogitu mu se esan Adom TV Adom FM ye fidie kase sunti na wo kasa na pani wani mu a eni wani mtia nenti wo utimi bedi tro ebe enkagumu ya kana say
intuition
asema emfa wo
emfa wo baby
na watimi akasa ma me kra interview na kwasi ye na forma so me say ne nipa watimi akasa waka asem wo soda ye nyame asoda ye na within Friday to Sunday na Awurade atimi asesa ne amamu a
titan wo wiem
ama ye hu hwenye ye wo de ne dane ye ne de ye hu hwenye ye papa ehe na oda sesi ehe na wo hwe ye enye fe kwa
deceive viewers pa sa asema ko kan wontum na nya ona kan
sanya wa sa wo kan de wo ba bia de ye refer to ye boma wutie ye ema wugi tumu enti uma ho kwa ahomache enti se ye frɛ wo ba mapa wantimi anna na hwore beka sa na anya we papa ti wa wo free phone no so na wo call ye na akra na wa adwene eye osei
eno na ye bi se fia ye bo video no mpre nu
wa wonim se
nyo na wo gina so
and pasi enye so wo gina so just say wo make emphasis no kire se
ono na aka asem no
ama mpanifo hu no ehokra na ma asem no eye yi ka ram say wo da ye sunsun mpanifo hu bi wo ma so me da ya enu mpanifo hu no bai siremwa manipa ene wa dwene kwa kwa ye peche say ayi bisa ba mi ankrofo na bompa ye mu odin papa munya very careful ati na nyame na mudi ni di agrosa no
o ma sori man sese fomo
o ma wiase nyina we bede na akra na wo mu nti Awurade no o mu betimi age dia aba nyame fi we nyame pa na mu si na twetwe tese
enye wa se bi sofo se wan so te won nso edie se wonte
ne eno so ya tesa no
bisi ya boni prenu papa u gina so ne bo ade ni prenu wa gia tuma ma be kan asem se ne wa na kan asem se afi efrifia da ba no ewie mu asesa
ti se ya control se ya no chechira to obi tirim wa akoko ni maame no ne maame ayaka no ne papa ayaka se ya adwen kese na mo de temam
unfortunate papa so for na pe de first they can say komwa
oye nyame ni pa
because awreho so e tro kese pa na wodi ate say ni kwase e fa prophet kra so na sade we ba
wanya ade mamo me ye nyame sa Awurade na mudi ne hu di agro sa
Debi
na he fa no akwoti se kramo wa ba hwe mudi nyame di agro
kan ye eno so we de ne ambo de nyame de no
na mu fa nche me na me so me kan bi wo ba bi na me ka se no nti we de moda wo ma me fancy ha
we de wagia tuma be kirekire mu se eye wo a wasem
na no so da so aye politics na fi amada so da ya
se ya mo ankyere okra via ga different no
ene e wo na so ne kasa enti ene mo asema ere osofo enye anya
enye we so konyame na osire nyame wo bone fache osire wa so ba bone fache na osire wa ka wo busu akra so bone fache ko so gwamani mu ase wo ma nyame nsa na da so na manfo question no
se enyo no ani fo nyukran ke de
to so mo bi ehu sofo kra wo ye
na ma enye sa
enye prophet ni trosa
na we mponi o na ne enkom be na abese obi beje
ehu enya saade no kura exam fatal
enya sa
emeji obi shan kede to so
meji obi shan wati obi na so na dai
wa ko kan de oba bia eye different se bi abo ade a kiro mpreni so fu se bi wa wo voice
eno so adane
ami a chechire ye hu hwe ye
ye say ne ni asesa
very uncle
okay ntino my head obonkrata ba aha yenko adomonline.com ti eno ha say Alan's boy react to outcome of superdelegate conference na wo mo tu wie ye no omo ebobo hu didi hu nkomo nti ba adomonline.com eno so ewo ho afa local news no ye Adom TV esukodo Independence Square in disarray oba hu foni nyina so edede ni mo ha no mo say kama pa na politics mo so say what these and Ashanti MPP constituency chairman have to say about the superdelegate conference and also obemu asheda ne ready emu ensem New Patriotic Party amanyoko no say Kufuado must demand the resignation of Northeast Minister Kojopoku no so kasei entertainment and so from catchy choruses to acrobatic feats week 7 of Adom TV Adom SONI and Silk Adom TV's the darling factor I kwasi da bia na ye de ahyehyɛ so e de amount SONI so catch your talent will create more na say but true programs be to say ye hu wo mo to bo hu adache wa be yum tuni sa nti adomonline.com nsam eno
Daily Guide Mahama pokes into NPP affairs. Nana launches planting for food and job creation phase 2. Bugri Nabu's bombshell I recorded IGP tape. Tisam komodine bae no. Osini osu bie ni wa eye doctored. E bie ni wa ye fake komodie bie osu bia no no ne bop a emi record ye. No wie so no koma mampani. So je chiam anim osina we di wasumu a. Well tenye sem na be ka chiro ma defend defend.
No person koma mampani ho evidence ka.
Waso twi ko panu nko enko tutum papa so. Tell koma mampani mo be ka ani o. NPP NEC decides last position runoff. NHIA gets $27 million World Bank boost. Daily Guide.
NBA.
NHIA.
Authority no.
Daily Graphic. Government launches planting for food and job creation phase 2. Initiative focuses on affordable, timely credit. Controller freezes SITAC members' salaries. Leaked tape on IGP's removal. Tape is authentic. Contains my voice. Bugri Nabu reviews. Adenimo Ejako ready for runoff. Best farmer advises youth to embrace agribusiness. Daily Graphic.
Na best marker say manu di uboshe so na be reflect wo consistency. Nti ha na de ebesie edi no ya fia amankwa tamaklo mene kwasinsia ye ko Professor Yike Wallace etwaso.
Akwaba kesi be ba Adom TV so Adom TV so be dwendwumedi so dia ukensi ho sempan sa kana no pensu ja medin de Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back pe the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Regional Wallace the nation's presenter ana me kon kwanten kona family nsema wodo sa kana no pensu bi e wo Ghana agudie so 8 major chene so mam sa Richoku anopa bia no Sentimi ka Richoku abubo bi ebetia abo maniama etia tutu ye edi amount Richoku rubetimi den so sha no rubetimi den so nwum so etimi abo ne ani ka panse Richoku e oketwa e wadentem anafe obode e hodoma sentimi ka bi ebetia abo amaniama etia tutu ye di amount mesel edi dwumadi e spice no na ye san ka kire se bomodin adasan sabetia ka Richoku na wa start e udie no in the Ghanaian week Richoku mepacho bomodin ada se on sabetimi akabi sanso ana game park games nso de hyehyɛ kwatua saba fisa bere kɔde chacha boys edi no enya asem ketwa kra game park games omno mede san hyehyɛ kwatua ba o direct star 946 hasha na o de akɔ all networks obetua sa to o pick just for numbers pe na o de atwa sa chacha fisa bere kɔ modern da so o de ho betua san jim adwada enkɔpem kwase da draw no eba so live e wa Adom TV so anɔpa no nkron na afi so 12 pm na afi 6 pm daily ana san hyehyɛ kwatua ba so nti wandi anɔpa obedi awia wandi awia nso a obetimi e de anwumre kwenya wo ho de ma wa game park games ɛne nhyɛ so ko etua san to dwa na more mula ɔse more power ane yɛde agya bomɔden ada sɛ National Lotteries Authority fo mpanyinfo agya atum nti wotwa bi a woni mru firi motwe mfa ho nyimenya sa de akyakya wa waso ebetua ahye woni kra betua punsu ebetua kokɔ ɛde aka ho ɛde amantim sɛw ɛya na wahyɛ no so ɛde amame we mu ɛne sponsors sɛ mo totoro to ne atwitwirutwa na no pɛ mo tɛkyira boa ɛma ɛde a wokensi ho sempa ɛsa ka etime gyaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with very first step yɛnhyɛ se MFV Spanish La Liga Spain Mountain so no Rayo Vallecano for Transem Atletico Madrid etwomeka pole and song avalanche of goals cricket scoreline and the team PM or sa kense boni akoma hwese na hyɛ ne si koye Tarian Serie A sana matches na so kusi ko so no ana yapone wo kakra edema yentin tom Ghana komum dia Dreams Football Club club akwa MTN FA Cup no de qualifier ni de money eche Africa ye che Confederations Cup no second tier de ema cup for na san hihye mu ana se Dreams Football Club for team cruise call the next stage of the competition bibia betwema omni FC Calon for fi Sierra Leone and the next game ni betia boso abrantia ni din ene John Entry Egypt share so de wasia kan Champions League match one of Ghana's most experienced players wo mu eginam kokodenden CAF Confederations Cup against Kesin Rante de Bosha kakra basi na mi adoma obetia boa Dreams Football Club for group stages ne de matimi SLE through.
I'm come to play my part to help the team with the experience, the little experience I have in Africa, because I've been to the Champions League final, I've been to the Confederation Cup final, so I know how the terrain is. So mine is just to come and help the team go forward at least to the group stage, and this is what we are working on. And I know God willing we'll get there. Aside me, no other player has played in Africa before, so we must give them the benefit of the doubt. And I think with the hard work and determination, we will get there, and we are working on it. Like the coach said, we will really work hard and get to the top.
And see John Entry, see a kind of Dreams Football Club, who call Egypt, see so they were the highest air goal scorer in terms of air foreigners. I could see a kind of Egypt, and maybe a cream now, Hessan and ACL Quabram Tiano, amount for goals are all to turn assists and sevens. Yes, you only see a kind from a national team, but when to me, I'm a cancer, and you see a kind of Dreams Football Club, CAF Confederations Cup, and Ogenum. Young Comedy Sporting Club, Oman a G League na fee or Ghana, and no more who quiet some form an interim or CAF Champions League against Kessinim. Na Omni Rainbow Stars from Nigeria, and a day Omo against the time so Omutimidim Kunim, Elsa against Kessinim. Na Communications Director, Edema Mediama Sporting Club, Friends Patrick Akutu, or Chiman PC, and also then Kumoka Krabas and Yamiatoma, Ombetimi SLE smoothly, now almost 18 Ramanizoni.
This is a clubber. The history will continue because you're in competition. The entire time penny and you're also there 2 times in the Confederations Cup, first time in the Champions League. You're free move first or second stage down. Very well. You always go to the third or perhaps the group stage.
Horoya Athletic of Guinea, woman, yes, smaller club.
Big club. Yes.
Very if you go down to their profile,
big club.
Baby Wolfriba. I know by the end of the road for media man, I say.
Now, for you draw Ramon, not be now if you say end of the road for us. In fact, near side, a cum some quite much right. We know what comes here was 1 year share or Cape Coast. Obiaka as a baby now, 1 year more than Nigeria for you, intimidating on base.
Patrick Akoto, Communications Head, Edema Media Sporting Club. Woman the CAF Champions League no and Oten and Cancer or then Como Ejano. Na Yako Karela Football Club for Kachia, Omusio Mokai, Inesi, na Okon Zimashia so a Anomaji Dinipa, and Sansa Christ, but the Ebrico Kwana the answer. Every PM is a new owner, Honorable Haruna Idusu, Onabubu Kuyanedi, na Omo Air Shessen and Yama Esitiana, Omo 8 million and Okoden, Ewan in the Simbu, and Omo pay a new venue. Na omesia kan o se o yet say obi hia ne pen for no madwedwe ho ba bia afi Karela Football Club ebebo Premier League no.
I've come to welcome Karela Football Club into Tamale for their pre-season session and to discuss and consult with management and the technical team where our venue for the 2023-2024 Premier League Ghana Football Association probably may be. It is not my wish to have taken the team away from Enyinasi, from the people of Nzima, but regrettably the GFA have disqualified the Enyinasi football pitch has not been desirable or meeting their minimum standards. So we have to look elsewhere, and we would look elsewhere and satisfy the licensing requirement. I'm into football as a vocation. It excites me, but it's also now a source of good exports of talent. But my primary interest is in the development of young talents. We need to identify, groom and develop young talents who want to make a career in football, which has now become a very attractive and profitable profession.
Inti nese niaba no e wasana niama ACL ko Honorable Haruna Idrisu, or the new owner for Karela Football Club na club licensing committee omo na approve baby obesi akan ansana ya start a season no omo HSA nyinasio no wohwe eye AstroTurf na se ho na otumi sampae sekete oboboni na na ebobo ne ho nti enya dia omo betime gina mesi akenzo nti nei omo pedabere foforo na yenkobu biu na Ashanti Gold Football Club ho fobeka na nwada na Ghana Football Association for pen for PMO Congress a omo chese NCD Ash Good Football Club omo twem se 1010 eni omo register Ash Good Football Club no enye football club a Ghana Football Association for omo ensa show masibiu na san komoyi ana Dr. Kwaku Frimpong a ono eye owner of Ashanti Gold Football Club ma fobeka na omo chese mabo match manipulation na first match between SPM e o Mackenzie omo Interlice editing time so be say 2 seasons ago eno ho aso twen ana omo players a na omo esi akensi ni bi etabili omo nsem no through FIPRO omo kopie mo cast court of arbitration for sports na yesam say enya de adanse bia ho nti enya de a omo ebetimi atrafi obetimi ato aso abom ball but Dr. Kwaku Frimpong chese wasan siu Ghana Football Association fubio for the very second time na odimuncheche mu so ejai
ana mekra machine free China gadget bi ana de check any panel and you tell pana almost page almost 25 no mo 67 then Nigeria take karo njache at CNN biatie ana omo pata omo guye no ase anu ntina me de atako da court say temrano omo kwa fa temrano omo kwa na yomo dia no we are businessmen other businessmen be also aye business open paso
me tie onkomo ni ya o se o kra machine bi fi China and de kan nipa na peja omonsa e de ema ese yen yash go din fi football man as me yomu fa film no na machine kan no and hu say 25
67 25 and you want na out so mopa let me send copy amamo
okay
machine there actually say nipa na omo peja omonsa nya 25 na omo kan of correct prosper we within na Ghana mama ehwe nyoma ye na no kwenedi na me that court the court of justice here they are very honest to audio bribe ni ade anya adwuma nti me the court say court of care say because omo wonra football people ni na obi atimi nka obi aka e be team ezo omo teams no more than 6 wo be challenge bia no omo team nti obi ani na meme Kwaku Frimpong there me the atemeba
ti Dr. Kwaku Frimpong champion ana mafo de nim no ana wotene ka se wakran fidie e de afi China san fidie ne ehwe video a epiem el congress a na ese mutiminya be certain percentage no osu sa percentage na omo etimi epeja omo sa se omo na omanya na enu tie de years good football club for efim el congress mo no ono afidie no de fi China ba na kenkan nipa no video no so no edu 25 pe enu 57 se no omo el kana na mpese enya percentage no na nka omo yine de afim el se na dwumede ne ACL call. But Dr. Kwaku Frimpong champion esa ede adeside kakra eto Ghana mapen na do dan Kwaku fo ado anim se fisa bere ko de on finani on hwe football nim yema ekoso no na afen so mo hwe nim se kwan bia so no nsemi a mo de beja court no so ebebu atentere ne
the match say president Kufu ado on sorry any judicial omo nyina sorry ne empa ko no enti empa me man titi na obi timi mfa emra enhya obi a omo brada ket omo brada ket oni company bia
o de o company so
o company o gaka ana de to ka onti akakura wie enti e dey say the we e ba say o be say Ghana enti e say aban
o se ket why dey o se ket why dey
onye adwuma bi ada
o ket o company so before be the FA president company Proto Sports near football company see
football company e dey na no ball in the first class no Ojebusia Ogaka, Unkia, and what Timono.
No one dance here.
Over one dance here that I mean, Makanaka.
Oh, sir.
Oh, yes.
Hey, and a champion. Also, was
only Jesus can make you a champion. Oh, my brother. And he said, I'm giving back to the society. Now, so I go to I say, and it's only Jesus who can make you a champion.
See, Dr. Kwaku Frimpong, champion, and I would say, o make allegations, Bino, and the new wasem, and Ohesanema is your course of Wasemba, and one Kwana Pampaso. Me do be see an amanda was say, Shenosma say, Game Park Games, on the Decha Chasson, Quetin Samba, boys, dear Idino, and Yasam Keto cry, dear who Jim, near Boma, Yama, Etianko, or dial star 946 hasha, was selected just 4 numbers from 0 to best 9 pay. Na fe odia to dini 10 na wakwa jusika na Adom TV so no 9 am 12 pm and then 6 pm daily the draw na eba so from adwada kwapem kwesellent misrel ya fra ho gym Game Park Games or say more mula more power and yedi one dance e dia ma no regulated by the National Lottery Authority and only moving on hwea emfa ho nyim nyasa wo hwesen na mesi kwa chacha betimi afo enu so kakra ma 3 etuansa bom Richuku medical akachari da se family no obi ansan kabi na rohye enya the rice nourishment betia boa na wo dia start with Richuku ne oketwa e wadentem na afia obode obolo na kasa awon sentimi kabi siwa assessment but otete ne kakra obetimi de so hye anom obetimi so edi insunyu so etimi anom but more than that some sabitia kan Richuku na start with the right in a Ghanaian way we mo any sponsors some touch the boa man na penso dia o kensi mu sempa ensaka etimi jaw me so esu die we health air talk and it means abaso na we health pomodin sema who be here pantim so catch the busuan for na for oyere ne ma o fast for na nanom ne ukunu mo se mo bia nko ba bia mo kosonta TV no na adwumani ho na afo mo hwe se be bitia boa e ma niama etimi akoyi ediamom within the prof equal good catch back up them of course evidence based representation etimi jaw rather than any ma anya okese you be the soni and found ko be the so the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.
Mamemo achemu akwa babiem samra Adom TV Badwam dwumadie ye eso yapomuden kwoma ye de bro na wotwe nyina no enne na wotwe de ye di hu nkomo ye depression enra so kan ye hu a ye bo ni nyina tofa de maye e ma dog kire ye mu se areho entra so anase wudi areho ama ne bro so enne ye beka se dipa no wa ye depressed nene ye hwe ne ma hodo e ma areho ba dog da so etinedwam dog ye mo akwaba ye da senso enu a wo bo ne tofa de maye nene e de na depression eba
yeah said the enu a ye sha ase abubo so no in fact biological say obi wo ho a just by virtue of our biological differences say ye oba ye bema in fact o hwe nhwehwemu kire say ma 2 times more likely to be depressed compared to a mama. Said the na mechem no bi o awo so nti hwe nye no but okwa awo so na eno hormonal changes no nti hormones no ti misesa na amaya ye more prone to being depressed and no wo ho and apart from that dada effiencensam ye social life obi bi free mu a odofu bi free mu a eye ya enti said the ema obi are ho no de etumi broso ama emra sabi esukra eja him no de ontumi njan po no ayeden enti ano nso etumi ekose me boy in social school for more exams in fact we share in developmental milestone na you free more fabric besi empani fie so abrebia ne de esi eni so ne de hia yen mo fabric mu no ni school ne namfo nom enti se na damfo bi enya problem bi a etumi ema na reho ho se o family history bi a na atwega ena afi so se ye hwe se bi a mpanifo odru ni mpanifie so na ware kachi anani sika sem bi entotoye anase bi a investment kese bi a akọ ebi na abu aka ne kom let's go to free sane amanu nyina etumi ema enipa depression ti se hwe causes na ye share the biological component say nipa no ne busuani bi ewo bi so wo share yare ahodo bi te diabetes a empempi say wo family history a you are more likely to be to have diabetes. The same way, depressions will be all family history, no. Possible say betumi a cause of also depression.
So, depression hereditary.
And also
because you be as abrabone cause will be challenge mono. And maybe a be depressed.
And no, and na fe say yemfa ne say me mabusua mu obi e depression na ewiase abrabo bibi ehye me so a ene wo a ebi a wabusuam bibi san nimu no it's possible say me may depressed in tamasin said ya wo beye nti ano so etumi de ba but apart from that so wabusuam ebi om say bi nim eno so obi a betumi anya say de medi kan no yi nipa me ensansi wa at a point in their life back ebetumi aye depressed nti enya biological kwa social environment and so enema
to ya brabo mu no ne ade bi te said ye enne Ghana how far de pa na hu say a recording for ba mo ho a basic advice and as a solution we hear de na de obokosa depression
and pain ya na be a relationship issues e bia oni obi a hehya aware na amaso ote na ni no hu da TV so na da internet so say no can for nti no so ya de a eye major trauma sa trauma no ebetumi ede na co depression mu na say asem bia to no te say e bia sabi obi abewia no ya twitu asi ne so eno so to me lead to other things I know so the symptoms ni bi oni pa betumi depressed out of it.
Enti ene ye say ni hu causes no tinyame yadmo ochna ye behwe de he
yenhwe signs and symptoms and nyama a dead do e ho e be me hu
ba ku ye de
ebi to me say areho no ato aso for be 2 weeks and na echire ebi nso betumi ay say nanum ato
boy ene china nyame yadmo akan ho ne nto so na yenhwe signs and symptoms say bi obi depressed anti so ye abusua na mo ofie na obi yes sign ni bia ekwan ye be fa so ya boa no Badwam health tips na wotwi ye di nkomo afa depression ho medidi afia amankwa tamaklotuna kan ho ye betwa so
good morning. Akwaba sonko ba usa page mezido na health tips and also if you amankwa kudos or boa papa Sunday depression okrom hade nize to le bi kwa no emu ho kan nyama bebre wa hade ya mo hihanyi data kinye data na pazanka depression no fa no ho na waso fa ho na so no still nkofu e depress okrom ha mpo ma wo kode streams every time also obi ekunu ho na azaza what's up into no ya that's papa there church hen mo ye ba ya yebutum na ya twen ho efiri ho na mpo no depression nazi bana oye na ba mo akwa badam no men kan chode entertainment and na yer baba ye e wa hade is no osmo madasa papa isn't he the founder president for the Brothers and Sisters Association? Na yankwa quickly yankwa share in some orokodo or entertainment industry ni mo na muhunda kweku smoke or baba bechimdo or the album be rubber or the album be the boss it's 2 albums on the first also the album no 2-in-1 album Chrono 21 or some beautiful songs be what I Ozremahen Can't Fall Right Here Do That featuring Black Way Bebre Don't Leave Need You Bebre Intino Yerushe him there album your baba nanso no immediately now the tweet ye pe na ye hunde A-Town TSP A-Town TSB no or no a record producer or ye beats or beat na me hunde quickly no wa retweet kweku smoke ni tweet no na bocho wodo there abrantie remove all the beats ono oye no so pocho nizo bia wodu bia kweku smoke in fedo na album no crampo no must clarify na the payment to mumbazi or say I don't have any sort of affiliation with you ochima or ni affiliation me yankofa bia ande woni tem business so nyankusem o debi onyini nyi yakusemi anti no ni beat bia waye bia no abrante ni nyefedo na waye ndemo ye ya abo hwa kaka album abom kwar no obi aka dem pocho me Jimmy beat yes no na yenyim zo record wo honom so yesikasemo say or your contract be in a one way you want na say na won't solve the issue because we are waiting for the album kweku Kweku smoke but mazna na kokko resolve issues me hu de bi nimpo worry shom there obocho the court case me chimana Twitter do da man pocho me hu court case dem ya ba za me hu ni but sefhe most man samre kwana abrante no most oni gbefu na ototo na ya hwa na waka ye court case nti no ye face where ai na ye move on na ye bompe there Kweku smoke no nye 8 town TSB obotum na wa resolve an issue na da min sebi no ye ze gu he nechi na yako hinenyim na before befa me story no ma mimi said am pon ni chewo djuma na wasi yare no na kwafre ye no bia na yele ya na there or different because when you try video on social media and it got me asking myself a lot of questions then you know ebe ye dwunda yele boni na tade no the day no enyi dem kofu nyina akopɔ mu hell wa obeye ho nti mame ero som nyame a som ni yie se bosom the other one no sa mame som no su ye because bible na mpo akade the fafra obespit out into no bomozana na focus ham system I imagine them salvation adwuma no meye ni ye dem ro obeye abebi madam kofu bokon mu kopu emu wo ho na mama fa me story family and mehu an interview on social media na ozizi nkomobi na zotinye there for some time now no yeretwa musicians and Ghana had they won echi papa yere kan there one international mahen one bo shows one pay free Ghana one pay because ye hu there oyaza se wo pay abo na obo hen papa now so no family richirima wo bo concert wa brochi kra na Ghanaians abroad won ba Chado oya wanna fell keke da what Ghana awo ebeka da mboa kete family ai yemra.
Since I blew up 2019 my boss to America my boss Canada Germany I go with other artists too. I'm farmer mo when you say I'm farmer you so we hu say to anyum no ma na say Ghana for kuku da meden egu ho and upo no mo ferry so they don't even come.
Oh how
one of people outside there. Why do Ghanaian artists keep cancelling their shows? They don't come. Whiskey the bar show 4 months time. What could be some permission? Would you say on this day?
I want to go. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Yes, I'm my Peter. Yeah. Yes, I'm my way. Yeah. And people I've witnessed in New York. I don't want to mention names. Big names for here. Just last year, they had a concert. Small place. Sisi, se nipa time by anyame
even 10 people didn't show.
Me body now you be surprised.
Body ne?
That be enkoye. Me there I'll say it because me I had my show in UK like last week. I was expecting a lot of people. It is few way come.
Like how many people?
I know.
Is it the promotion that didn't work or is it a song that people are not vibing to or they just don't want to support?
Our people I don't know. All of a sudden I said intentional bina it just because it wasn't like that before because that was why Nigerians were featuring Ghanaian artists. Those times Bernard be feature wale sack or the flavor be feature sack. No, right now we they chase them to feature them. They don't want because I don't have the mileage Ben or Phyllis or Benya on this side.
That's a problem then.
Yes, and we now go do them.
To know family na watu tona no kakra no make don chere bia me oji entertainment to twonko kasafa the fact that one can simple as Ghanaian artist no so wo mozana no pay outside the country no kra na wo be show na one bra for interview on radio stations na wo international stations wo mpede wo baka kat na local stations wo mpo na wa koto to na no ma Ghanaians no wa ran no we hu there wo around ma wa bohuni show. But for me, I also raised some concerns of Ghana for how we are shy. The Obasan can Nigeria, you know, concert and Kabana, what to ticket the Obisa permission with Jumum on Yande. Into no, the issue see Yaguda Yarishe there, Yahu, the root cause, Ebiana, Yabotumna, ya solve the issue, Yatumna, Yakohenim. Now, Yaguda Yaris the Bunkome when they say, all those are some no in a bufu, or in a bufuka crying to know, or by a tweet. That you show when you tweet ne also why is feeling O2 and winning Grammy become the standard to measure the success of an artist. What's there? Or no, opera bisa de intino. Eka feel O2 arena no, no oye done. Na since when? And I started the year there obi akwa feel O2 arena another Grammy, wakwaje Grammy award. Into city and ipokono or you successful as an artist. When the shay also there since when? Because ono was all kodono obandama no idema ye hwetwe yen ho as Ghanaians wo krom hade no. Oye na hometo. Oye na hometo because Bob Marley in the Tupac were very successful musicians. Now so no the mukofe bieni. Wo mukumpo ni ho waje Grammy da. The Mara Umpo na the Mukofe be no feel O2 arena. Into no let Ghanaian musicians breathe. Ghana wake up and no a signature. Into Ghana wake up never penny when the share. Aha, into when the shape or Chema when Ghana artists no won't breathe because I feel O2 arena and no. But Wendy, so I think there, you guys know Abrabo be a career when if you had a free one or so they could 2, if you 2 3 to 4. Na eluko wenyim da man kan krat de bia e be kodum pempendre kodru but na the reason why ya compare another say you dey obi akofile O2 arena another obi agi Grammy ye denye there it's the height of it atasa even for American artists big artists ye nyim wona azingina no so wotum na wagi Grammy sa or a big deal zamo hwana nti say ye wiemfo bat da ha me let's see Ghana na bohumos na ye adwuma na etumo kopay Grammy sa then that's some big deal into na ya twetwe ho no nya bibia but South America no very true yentum na ye measure one success with that warriors mpono Ghana to the world warriors papa into no womi won ho na wonye adwuma no ma adwuma no onsi na yen free Wendy na tweet ho no mo na yen konkɔ hwɛ Kelvin Boy so Kelvin Boy no ofia hade okoshian di dusty o ni kɔtwe nkomo na orichire mu mpo no se on Stone Boy a onye ne bayanyo o sanda obi send comment bia na andi kan orichem de kada mun sam no ponka wunje ye chizi awu kokɔhwɛ video no na presisia
for Testament GH4 said that and the Kelvin Boy is a cool G, but if I try do some top-notch piece tune with Stone Boy, not be bad because I miss them performing together. Can you let this rest? It's like almost every time. Aren't you tired of it?
I get tired though. By doing a song with Stone Boy, for so many reasons, I would love to do that.
Okay.
For so many reasons, I'm a businessman. Yeah, and then looking at of course, he's still my godfather in my heart, so I would love to do music with him. I know. Apart from that, business-wise, I would love to do music with him. I know we're gonna make money.
Seriously.
Into from the horse's own matter, no. Ochemo a businessman, and for so many reasons, no. Onya yanko, ni Stone Boy, by nyom. Na Kelvin, and a pay 1 years Bibia Boko. Or Chima say Stone Boy and the godfather in her heart. You yati hono kram question baby now what about your body? How you found twinchen na yan wish no well ebia na Stone or tia obapede or in the bay because antra American or show business so ampa or show base sikano or say me when you are apart from there every when you offer no na me when you so sikani be or very necessary to no Kelvin Boy kwai ai but that's it papa na yerka Stone Boy no ye Kelvin na nyumbo ho asam no ma me chiro da one guard or yaza original your papa or Canada performance in the da ye hu there we post or Shema no or Edmonton ye hwe za okodo wo ho no into no that's one guard or Canada now or concert or honom the 5th dimensional album no to the world into no Ghanaians your region is no baby our eco Europe you wo honom eco Canada e bi share wo USA even in London into no the onche bia no one guard ye be share wo Canada ho ahosepe in Canada yes ye nanyo re kire ho into no onche bia one guard ye be share wo Canada honom nti no won kwada na wonye adwuma nai wonye adwuma zan ma oman Ghana into ofa nantam pa onfra na yankwohwe international stories ni bi nso e na there's a video on social media nkofu bebre worry bisa questions there hey abufo ye panyida ben awuhwe video no bra na mu nkyeremu tino tell ma bobaza na member video no nko bocho ha onda ho mam na mencho aba na oze enyim honom no nizin nye Blue Ivy na se enyim na oye Beyonce na Jay-Z wonaba one first child ni na oya afro bampocho menye deceived onye penyim bi Adam now so no the reason why a video we call viral enye there oya very like the way and the confidence I don't know the original stage na this is like Blue Ivy not Blue Ivy oya penyim benda ebe enyim Beyonce ebe mame why not ready Rabbi Ofia Brochi America Mamu Bay ya onye shatawale be enumi why not ready obafa dance god mu work so zinzinzini aha ne benyi enwude akwala nso oni osose asala akwala do nso oni a obesoose ne ho asem enyi ne papa na ne maame nyina wo bonyom ba maame ne ho so papa nti no se hwa abofra na wansra kra na it brings to mind that they be na obi catch am there won ma wozi iwiazu do sisiare no one number no obasa bezi endo you food for thoughts nti no say ehwe na say wo maame na papa no yidam category mi no se mi enwanwa na ekwan kala fa da ba be hyem bi mi enwanwa pa na ye adwumazin na be hyem bi because say Blue Ivy in a full stage no ore da mza no Beyonce Beyonce ketwa Beyonce nyo bi umpa na Blue Ivy bashana name pepepe. This is so beautiful na you know we get a lot of people talking on social media na mse dem fambo to hade na waso hwebie ai na me face hade na yankonko share social media me hunde oyaza oye Mr. Jew nenyum case no original music video music video no baba out on Friday ono nka den channel no damara nso na D Black no onye kidi nso mehu there was a nyom for about was a nyom for about into no wo guda wortwa video nyom na rempo on tuzi in chahen but me ma me bra ya me ka fadam visuals ni free no onye ketwa into no ma ye enjoy case remix no as a case remix no video no about ye enjoy behind the scenes no kakra na ye mresisia no wofanchem na efri na yezi ejuma wa de nto otode bia na no hu etwi kakra na so no ye bo hwe enyim de ye bo hu case remix no Mr. June enyim case remix no or the visuals about the Mara onso na kidi na onye D Black the menyom no crampo no mehuni no or came of an all-time favorite collaboration between D Black and onye Castro say yes Castro ne voice most more to nyom no nyom fa na say kidi so most more another fa then D Black I don't know I am the wasn't one man the memory ni biom because you know me sure part of be do papa I will know behind the scenes no na other make sure you know she him case remix or Mr. Drew of feature Mufti Damara also na D Black no nye kidi when nyom na worry no 1000 otus na baba bo ameze ye hwenyim de nyina baba oba mpocho oba wasn't stream on that is the only way wotu wonya kakra wozugu hon kotokum and no zamika che onyanyi de mpocho be ye hwe be ye nyina yenyin no motro modweze yakopon ose nanywa enje ho meza wo sepa dwumezi no mezi besi hade izi ne da fantido me da mabwas fu nyina rase nyame adoma ochina ye basan yeshia ya mwakwa bebie me Adom TV Badwam na ohwe mamboatema ne ama afeite ma yeda mwase ahosepa mo de breye de edu so no ye ba bedi nkomo na me wo ban heba center mpanifo e wo ha ye ba bedi nkomo ahwe se de apomudimo ensem no atienti nyim free ha ye nchekora na chese ye no won mo wie no wasua bibi so aka ho kwato mo akwaba na bia bokọ de na atena ye won so te say
yakopo adom bibia ye bokọ
bibia ekọ kama de bia meka say de bia nya nipa foforo ma ne hwe Adom TV nti ye na so bia na ye obi first time a wote ban heba center for enka ye ka say ban heba center e adwumaku be
yo am say ye de nchi akese be ma hwefo nyina ban heba center e adwumaku a ye hwedo mpemu e yade eno ne ade a ase ye hallmark ye ni wo mu pai enam say do mpemu yade a se odompe ho touch ma enya de nipadua no che se bit ma function na me se Nyankopon bo nipadua no ode entini ene nompe ene honam ene kekese ni ene ma edane nipadua enti se ba de se dompe ho touch ma ai se pila ai wo dem se pila no eni ahode a edane ntibi gina ho ebedwiri agu ene nti ya wedare e wo dompe ayarehemu
etiani ese no mpeno so de dos ba bia wo bi enti me bo wura ho no mo a no mpemu nyarewa hodo be ye mfa bi na ye ni ho nkom
okay na edi kan obi ti se bibi ti se arthritis on se onompe no bia ekese ni the joint no ebo se ehwa na emu eye oya obi won so ana ne kotodwe de no yasi nsia ba bigina mu nti wo se okotodwe na ahono eno so enya oya wodon se mia kakra bia bo se akom ababusa ho se sense ye bede na free ho aniti ba bia betimi ama na free ho ye ba heba center yasio aniti se bia arthritis na hawa anase se de ka na joint na abribia ya oda obenyane na honam nyina ya ya so kra free mpem a na akoye den e de ama ni na no ba heba center yasio ho na so ba bepi anase bi ho ana ne nan na afekere anase na nsa wote hwe ema ne nsa do mpeni ho atochima aniti ebia so ana ebo na obo na wo de wakonya ho akwanhia wo de akyinya apɛ eno anu aduru unya ni na no ba heba center pɛ na obenya anu aduru na me se dompe ho de touch ma de ba bi ba ko pɛ ba heba center yaseo na ye ho wa wo ne se ye de bibiduru na ye sa ayare nyina ye yaseo ho no ani ti se ba heba center aban bia wo nwram bia ekɔ na akɔ de aba na no de ba be kan ama odompe na emu abumie no ase akɛse ni ne ho akokɔ a opese enfefe biom no haban na beba na eden asan fefe biom enti na de bia manfo ebo mu oba heba center emra
onya ya ba wa ye twia na ye no
on se obia na ne de ebi wo ho a na on se ba heba center clinic enti oba nya se oba se bia me kotudwe mu ya me ya na ya hase se ma kotudwe no eri kan yo ni pedia na hwehwemu enti etse na okọ hospital bia na ye wo OPD na mo bani na obekosa all the processes enti obi wo so na owo esite yade se ade diabetes how nti so obi diabetes ha na mekan se yi ne kotodwe na emu ya na ya o kire a obo se we na eno ya na ya na wa kire no e be transfer ba ha bo se we so wa be ho no nti bi wo ana nya se o se e kire ana ya se ye we o se onum na ekoni pediem ekoko ejuma e wo do mpedim e wanya ho ayaresa e wo ho ani tinye bia na ya kire ebi won so ahaban ne keke na de beto so ama na eno ankasa ayeden akoye ejuma wo honam num anam se wo se honam nan kasa no entogru wo honam nani enti ye de ahaban ne to so a eno na ebeyede edru enu ne dru na na se dru na wa ahaban nim no ebetwe akwa kopiem e wo numpedum amana akwa koyem aduma ese uko enrem a se de asi wo na ahaban ne wo so a ete a eba beto ase ahaban ne to ase a obekobiom na ahaban ne ni ho na adan den adan anua enti sa pepepe na oba na se ohaw bi e wo dom people ne da ahaban ne to so a sa hoden na ahaban tifiri di aspect of ma eye no sa pepepe ene kokoye oni pedie no na wo de nya ho ayarhe enti obi wo ana adwuma oye entenase bebre abribi otatena se anaso gina ho bebre won se e de ohaba beto na chibrem na spine so enti wakwa be kwakopi mo ba bia me a kire so the spine emu abiebi enti hwe ni we bit my just say operation de dade bia kwahyewa man na wa busa ho se onkwan na nyina obedi wasase so no sa dade na de nante da bi ba heba center ba se emu abiebi se ho na akokwa oba ye be ya ma amana sa ba be si bia na tie kane enti na de ne da nyina na manfo ebomram e ba heba center ya se o sa no
nti na ya se ye maduro na de hia se ye kire ana ye de bibi ye so no so sa na ye nkura nyina
obi biara odompem ha obia se oya abofra na se odompe no ho touch ma ode ne sa na benyi nti benyi na se problem no ho nti se anso anu sisi a roni be say prevention is better than cure and it was the cancer anu sisi yi se ne be ya onfa nyi na konyi okonyi a obo se eno ni sisi no e be den asense oya abofra nti se bi obi wa na ya wono foforo ne nanti mu emre bi ma bi de ne baba ho o se akola na spine akola be 2 years na spine de ya adan ya okopeja nkola ka yibio ai no emu hye da nyi biwa hibia enso onse na spine ho touch ma enti se wode tren fie so enya hwe ebekọ a enam se woni hunim die enti ebedu ba bi no na aba be affect akola nti entempa na so de ne ba be piem e ba heba
na se mu de mu ba enno bi en we ton monten so
david ya na ya de enso ya na etiko enwrem ho ya kotwetwa nnua ha man ne no bna ne ntini aba be keka nsie ni ya san no a ya se o ti bibiara ya de mo bibiara ne ya ya de ya yankofa ne o ba bi ha ya ne ya de
na djuma no so services ne te say ya djuma from
djuma efiti juada akopem edamemenda nti anopa no so 7 o'clock sabre amanfo ahase e ba be pie mo ba he ba center enmre 5 ne yapon eda ya nya djuma ya kwasi ada ene de ya de ni na akwa ya djuma de o se de ne aka no akoso nya kopon yes
enti ba e wo hefa won krabata
ai ya on krabata ya shase de fi kumase anse ba be pie mo nkra enti kumase o ba bi e friend say atonso agogo aban ya resabe ya kase na chi ope onya si wo hope o de ubusa obi ase ope ba he ba center ade o mechero enkra hanso ya ba bi a friend suspenders nti wo faka ba bi a kasa ko suspenders road wo be si wo ba bi a friend say 18 junction be si wo taxi fo bi ho muludu ka chom se ko ba he ba center o ba bi pm e ho na o enkra ha e bia na o ba kwan ayirawo ana mpo e bia na na eken wo de nye dompem ha ne ha ne mo wo pese friend doctor nkasa na oni ni di enkomo fa wo so ya de ha wa enam se ba he ba center ya de bi oni pede de no ye hwe nti se bia nti ambo wo ya de so no nche se bia ye nye ho adwuma nti obefre number no eye 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 ene ye mo amo enkran ha anase bebia wo no onim se obenkran de a na wafre sa na ma nemom se wo kuma se ene ne mpotem ene bia esremu atifi mantem ne ahonkro ne banyina e wo se ofre eye 0244 083 482 0244 083 482 wene numbers a ofre a one doctor nkasa ene bedi nkomo na so ya debi etete wo a yentimi anka ho asem afidie so yi wetimi age ebunkyeremu no wa BP mo ba heba center ye de abibiduru etu sa ya de na se kwakra e de afiri ne pediem ama
okay nti na esa mia ya obobo so yi e ho ape na ba
heba center yo ye wo branches ni bi wo na ba bia oba benya doctor kasankasa ne ba bia makeken nti se opeso hu doctor na kasankasa ba bi minu na medical dia to just say oh no just say ya da branches na doctor sini ko omo de
bobo ayaro nyarwa hodo no a mo hwa apart from ene dia kan arthritis ene siche
ya kan say obi wa no kidney
okay
how kidney no so we say eno na esone enia na edi so akwa na hu say so ne nti say odi aduane bi na so how bi ana say efin bi wari ene no ma kidney ne na esone so na onu musuo kura na say efin mu o say enuane a edi ne yensu enu mi na akwa ne chemicals and nti no eno na ko ni pedie mu a na kidney no ai dai asone so ne ebeye ahoden amani pedia no de na amani pedia na ne enye no we na we ye free nti say kidney ho touch ma then na organ be na be say adwumadi no na say bibi biara be ko ni pedia bia no say papa say boni e kwa affect ni pedia no and nti say o kidney mu hawa ba heba center ya say hope na so ba BP obi won so ane de eye compo goiter obo say pie mu kese e woni minim okoko pie mu ayara say bia be chere say just why operation amanako and so ba heba center any operation e ho o ba ya mo wedru ma no nti onu wedru no na ahase se eden na na kakra de afri minim obo say be boso me yansa chi no na sa de ni na eni hobiem be ma bi so ho a ya say friend say case 5 nti ona ma be kola di no ho fe so akwaje on board ya sheda matadi eze echo na tete wo ene so ba heba center ya say o any operation no edru ne de ba ma ma ko ni pedie e be na ni na de afri wo
ya da se papa
so ba bi so a fibro de tete wo at the same thing obaba BP mo ba heba center e between na say
ya da senti ba heba center na ya no mudi nkomo no number no ya 0244988004 it was screen no ase na 0244083482 ma main fa birthday celebrant yi emran sana medru no so kra no Franco Trading Enterprise phones papa efie ene eho phones bia wo pese Nokia Samsung iPhones smart TVs ene tabletop fridges Franco air conditions ni nyina no ye wo bi wo Franco Trading Enterprise CCTV cameras ni nyina no Franco e wo bia efie office be bia ultimate monitor for Franco 0246 422338 0246 422338 and 0555 939311 na one Franco Trading Enterprise adi nkomo okọ on website at www.francotrading.com so ubenya womo Dominion herbal powder so eni eno na boost your immune system no dema no pay woni di ya first na obeye benya warm water no wasa Dominion powder ni bi so edi agumanyumre so ye ne sa ansa na wadidi Fred Dominion for 0543 158195 0543 158195 and 0249591843 yewo Dominion herbal ointment and so ho hunama yo ya ukoto dwe sisi fabi chichi ho nkran ha repatch ventures nana boache herbal angel herbal shops bi ho ashama so ekus pharmacy tama little George health shop afeko foduan so Gapson pharmacy delight pharmacy ohene nana herbal eni owusko bi eni central market ehwe nimu so hum so Tonic pharmacy achimodana na ya provision store Kennedy drug store so menya so na Giza pharmacy a whole benya be 12 years eba from untumi nyusu Dominion herbal powder and as ointment oba penfon so esa Piwak healthcare 3p garlic mixture no garlic nko na yachimu ye no aye nso bi anka ho garlic no na yachimu a ye de aye 3p garlic mixture eboa ye boost your immune system no de emma wo mojabro so oba wo nsa oteyawo numbness and anxiety umu odu bebre asthma house stress Mr. Nom 3p garlic mixture ni binamwa o kan shi kofi sam nekens work ubenya bi kuma senso dani haba ena fe kolina ki bi ohoho abetsam ena takra de aa mensa sunyane green light and so ubenya bi free piwa ko for 0248 928 824 and 0201 000021 0201000021 now so nya piwa ke dro no bi ato 3p garlic mixture now so wafa de do so no ye birthday celebrant na ye do won shase oba pa ajaman Sylvia happy birthday enkomaw nyame hiraw nyame nyo kese kuzi so be kese osmo fa birthday no mo enimo no dada say ye mo akwa babiem na nka me ko nenso Dr. Sharp aya Sharp abe piem wa hante na say menino ewie e wo ha dog me mo akwa ba na bi aboko de
aba fi bi aboko
de nyame ase ni di mu yenti o kakre
ye de nyame ase ye chiawefo nyina nso enenso ye da foforo nyankopon tiasfo na ahyehye de amaye na uhu ya enye se ye mpa ebo ne se da bia ya de mra na emum akoromfo nti ena patroka police for patrol team cars wo ene a police for nso ye wade bi wo no ma wuntimi enko enya ewo asase so na enumpo no eho anamotuo no aya eden se ubetimi atu ho anamo especially se wo yare a dodo na e ba ye honom no utimi se o machiri abre ene o ma aha o mache but ye honom nya biaya odi yade ba me pa cho betimi asande akọ ye wonu ma bi wati asfo asase so e wota amanyame to ne nsa fre nipa se adumre nyame to ne nsa fre odi a me pa cho eni hu asem me kura metia no memre so a wuo na maye de be mewu apa fre no bibia enu anum biem ebia wonti yenkada Dr. Sharp de odi haban a ne na mo kire no esa yade e ma ne ye fe yade bia enu anum ade beba no no ma otimi ensa emfa ma achachakwata ena kompo no se onye ena obi a oyemum mumu no kura nso kasa dada ena kasa no atekwa obetima ya ma eno naba eno nche so oyemum ampa cha obra no don come me ba cho sa na tie ma me papa yade a yesani ebia wachi na che ye ya one de se yesa yade na wan towa na kese ye kura ni ye disa kese ye no ya san ya guya ho ani ma se kura asan so ade be asewo mre enti asisi ye adoma na anye ya usika na nkasa ade baba ye do ade be ma ye be ma 15,000 Ghana cedi account 150 million san free TV station no na guya ni ma se Dr. Sharp kura mpo ni adu obi a ye adu amana me pa chaw anko no wo hwe wa adom anko no me pa chaw otime frɛ ni oti ho wodi referee on frɛ no onka enkyere ne se saye kura mpo ye ni aduro ana ye ayi enko me ba cho untimi nya bi ewe ye ho eye nhaba ene sunsum ne yede ye adwuma ade buo nyankopon te asefo ma no ma metie papa tie yade we say yesa eye haba ne yede ye me ho ne ya asore fie na nhaba no na me de ye adwuma ede ka ho me pa chew ede senya me ma yade ede yema obi ebia bibi de na chi a me ba cho etimi firi honom se bia eye nom ya na se ohaw yade mu no me ni ade no mitimi de pam fi honom eme nipa no ewoto no odofo tie asema me sama ne ko ni nyina so bia be sama esi anya bia bredu sika be mo sika ka ho sai efre guye ni masi Facebook Twitter TikTok WhatsApp be bia me pa cho betimi ede yato obi wo stroke on them one me pacho stroke a we on twe anyeye ye ma me pacho obe ye be mu odu am one anti majestically just one anti say ni obia and anti pepepe brother entra no nka say me yes sports ni ade me pacho Ghana ye was sports fo bebre ho no ma stroke achi wom ye wo enuoma bi wo no ma enya sania wo te no na ye yi o mrantie stroke chi wom obi obobo gina field pa bebre stroke nchi wom Ghana players blaster for ye ni bi mu won ma stroke chi wom mawu sa dete aya yade ye wonio ma eta chire ediba na mitumfo se enko ye obi bone yade na mkwan bebre so na eba bet ye ho no oba ye sra nya si fi won ma na mo aduro ye sa breast cancer ma ne ko bibi damu denden ni ebe ya mo ama anane aye kura ebe ya mo ama nawu ma me papa bedwate obi a kwa kete so odwonso ye mawa ebeko ni nyina ya haban na me na ma kire me won kransa ye fire brafo prostate cancer ya sha roba ye betimi ama dwonso na ba na omo mo she wo no omo ye fire ho cancer osa yeye maneko diabetes ye maneko me ya yade ayaresa me ye no me mo aduro me ya meduro no enchiri aduane bia oba me wono ma aduane bia yade enti yetua wo no me pacho esanse ye mo adura ebe kontinu ye ma start di aduane no me ma diabetes aduro sesia by 1 hour me pacho me ma odi nkatie emo banku wo we na akokọ na mpacho pe 34 bucket mana okondo se obawia me pacho me mo awe me pacho me waduro wonum ni nyina na ekọ de ka wano a na eye de be eto ekuro da ho a esusa de nya metima makuro nawu ma me papa enya nwode so enya tumi so me na mikito obafo creator kokoko de demon chaser sunsun ni tumi ni anwode a hye ne ma ode akata eso epilepsy etwere enkranfo frɛ no bilibili obi wa no ya na huro efi nanum ewo mbe 3 times ebi ba na adwo nipa no wompre eno no se wonya careful unhu da na ebi ba wo nipam ni nyina watwa anasa yade ne edawo edi ba 50 years bia edi bia no me mfa ho start one day no unya duro for one day na me patron kan ko 2 days enkan ko 1 year enko animu unya nya duro enti na oyade no watimi ama no ayi u celebrate ayi anniversary nyina ama no yade ma anniversary me patron sa na tie odafo enya sharp ho TB tuberculosis me sama ne ko eya haban ai wo ya sa sisu a ne yede ye ni moja aba me yema na ankwa me pa cho frɛ na gu mani mas memo 15,000 Ghana cedi account manfa ma wa report ma ene nearby police station bia wo hobia police ni no ba ya arrest no kra no me pa cho chief memo 15,000 Ghana cedi say ya dra mo bi osi ankwa me pa cho anya sharp a e bia no ama Dr. Sharp tie yes a kidney problem liver problem ho in heart ya do ato dialysis so dia nso a ye be ye fura manako enkrofo ha ya pantino encha ye de WhatsApp live be ka ho abrochirefo na ya mo fra ye se de mo padu fudi ade o mo nso na ya ye mama abrochirefo no ye delivery mamo ade o wo bole ga wo he garu he gisa oba anya sa unya ye deliver abrochirefo pe obi wa na oni pepes obi wa ozoso a sika o de be ba akokura no eye bebre mame papa obi akoma yade ya eko yade ni bi wo no ma omo makwa me yanka eno ane se obefre ye phone numbers no wo frɛ ni yase ye betima ya amawa me pa cho a guarantee no ye ntimi anya du sika ba me be ma 15,000 san frɛ gu ye ni mas ene wo TV no so no emienu 050 554 1996 050 554 1996 0266 14 another 1469 0266 14 another 1469 every day be am here adwuma oba me consultation ye 200 Ghana cedi no aboa ho kakra e de aka ho ye ma waduru a uje aduro na utuatua me ma waduru ba akwa me na me ka kyo so obekwa akopɛ bosia me galo nu swa ketekete me ba kya ne adi bu petro kakra do na se yin me ba na me ka me de ba akwa ba kire 2 liters enye yade bi aso na me de no se asema se a disposable cup ketua no be half ne e bank go me de 7 nsuo no yo yade no bi wo no ma obi abodama madness me de 7 minutes penalty aya bi o kure nuro na enkrofo bre ye tuo me sika chenti no wo kasa kura na anu say Sunday o me de agbeni bi free voter region ayi press kasie pa nipa be sesio se na de abrante no ba ombe akire na yi a ye kasa obe mi se ya me de ade ka na o mu giro no ma na agbefo na bubu nkotodwe dam na te kono no 7 minutes ne kura no yise sunsun ni 2 minutes abofo no enya adwuma me na me ka ke o sa oboa me ni bruni ba me firi nkura sa ye fira ne kranka a 2 minutes anwode a hye me ma tie ene yumre nso so no me wa Adom FM ebo 11 anadwo a me wo FM meba live nso mi fira no ma me se akoye TV program ba ko bi so wate me nko TV bi so na magi usika di ma ya waza otimi fira o anu nso hu TV bi so a ozu otimi fira ho nyina me ma the same amount no ma me papa enyu nhu akinye na ense wo mre ye wo ka soa o ba fa ka soa ka na si overhead na se so si overhead na se a me ba to no afa new market car no aka se ubesi wo ADB bank ye ba akopɛ usi wo ho a o fa ansa right fitting shop bi wo e ha na ye adwuma ye no me na hye wo da bi aso ye adwuma ya me nhira so
ti Dr. Sharp no ne number no de ama wo no friend no screen na say na fei ne want ye kra no friend na wisa na obekire omu na waboa wo nso aha ne ye de simidi afia amankwa tamaklo ko akwasinsia ayakado de asemidika etwaso
akwasinsia commander 6 ye kale sene tie ye de nyamsuro ene obuo kwaso ena eye adwuma ere asom ye man Ghana meden de akwasi ensia asemidika bre ena asoin asembi asi ewo nkwatia Presby Senior High School na awreho assistant headmaster yo school na betodwa se yesu asibam school ni akwada ba na sani akwada na ni ho aye no asefem awreho ma me nchira akra ne video hwe video yi hwe school ni a headmaster assistant headmaster yo won kwatia Presby Senior High School in the Eastern region odiai no all because of see akwada na pi ya wanye eziat enu kwa nso hwem kakra betodwa chem se akwada no kra pi no kuta eziat enya ba o enya ba etieti we so nensa ena pa ya akwada no asumsa hwe akwada na ni ho hwe suku ni akwada no na ni ho na mamfa na sekese enkoma Director General Edema Ghana Education Service se asemi bae no omo anti ana no tu hwana mo amena me no kasai GS atwe assistant headmaster no watwe na so ba me chiro GS for statement no omo de bae about school headmaster no ade a oyeye was the alleged assault at Nkwatia Presby Senior High School, 28th August 2023. The attention of management of Ghana Education Service has been drawn to a disturbing picture of a student of Nkwatia Presby SHS assaulted by the assistant headmaster, academics of the school. The GES unequivocally condemns the actions of the assistant headmaster, who is supposed to ensure that students and teachers operate in a safe school environment. The Eastern Regional Director of Education is liaising with the school authorities and the relevant law enforcement agencies to investigate the matter. Meanwhile, the assistant headmaster has been relieved of his duties, and the student is receiving medical care and counseling. Ghana Education Service assures the general public that we are committed to ensuring a safe and secure learning environment for all students across the country. Signed, Cassandra Chum Ampofo, Head Public Relations Unit, GS. 80 Assistant Headmaster. And Besima Samo, Director General of Ghana Education Service, Abaso. Say, why ya dear? Say, Asimba no, one Tiana, what 2 1 among. And I know Pelifon Betu just say, Ma, Church for Moro, your school for Quada, I will for me see boy and take that. I don't know, sir. Your boyfriend be say, and Quadani be say, na Musam say, how many hours and the school need any teacher in your encounter? Who you want that boarding house? Out of the 1.3 million students away senior high school, and we send our boarding house. School need teacher in your encounter best 8 hours. The rest of the hours near a hour for the end me and teacher mano. Teacher in 7-8 hours on yakran 1 hour and swim macran say. Sure, assistant headmaster. Sure, TV so she no dear you be back. Adabiam kese me say what ten crime, what kumase, what takra dia. And maybe one I want tears say ye kase, my teacher for embron kwada. Because a criminal intense when you go to some of our villages. Now it's na teacher phone be embron kwada, adabiam kase eh rade. Teacher phone be nyanipa. And who are worship more battle when you bring someone tia sirentia. Yes, my teachers emu kwadano. When in pefe pass ye bokre koskono, ni o teacher for back me ni be catch up say when you or ba o e yadepa. Who ye teacher ni e kasa aswe for e yadepa. Yanka so chira di o. You say eh teacher ni we de wo ba o e yadepa. Ena ye nanamo person ni ya bro mo. And I'm on ye, and as I'm for baby, never than sugar this no. Titi a pan de ababu amuna, yet it's your mono. Tabane a boom near see editing to me, never than sugar this. Some of our teachers are not human beings. Some of them are not human beings. And trunk and look massive from making judgment in Kwan. Go to our villages. She send a teacher in Chakwada, that's one puna at ye. Edianko, Edia, Bonnie Bay, Edianko, Edia Banco. And many doctors near Washer Aquadano, Ekasewo, a shaman, community hospital. Now, what seems say, and now Yakasakran is on no Aquadani. But teacher in us to turn up Aquadani to know, as I affect Aquadana so. Your sense to question, would you? I don't go to as I say a district education that has first cabinet Tranagan on to me GG on so the coy. Which is no and you ask for now our for no final call Hakrano, our Bocanu almost better 2,000 Ghana cedis. A dear uncle, assistant headmaster, a dear party. Yet the Sebio, yet in Quada by Yancho, my dear. Near dear, say. And a young moon quadantino and a man quadanaso. Mr. Mayankasa, because teacher any quadra relationship and I encounter in the day no, and you better 7 to 8 hours. There were 24 hours in a day. Over 10 hours, and ya woof one ma. Yet me to see a quadano, 7 hours never some quadano. Okay, me also don't say I tell you to go square near Bono. I tell you. Okosku atata me abone pa ene ne ba bi owo no aba ensesa kwada enya ba ene di subampa eba o kan obenya kofo ne akoti Bible say jimie bata kwada akoma ho entiaso aba ene beti ko ni before ya beti omo so entiaso aba wa ga se bi kwada nkwa na se bi ajimi ha wa ka kire o se bi kwada nkwa na ajimi Ye je to ase aba na kwakoto omo so. Go to some of our schools. Movie free in crime. Movie free Kumase. Now go to some of the villages. Now we send a church for me. I'm going to need them real. A church for the way villages no. And yet the mirror no me bon kwada no. E be the banchiaba and the busku nya kwada. Because why you born? Na teacher for dwa ya je tumi afiri nsem wo de ye den. Enkwada na mo kire mo ade no muntimi pass no. Enye mo dadwen. Ye kire kwada de mo pass muntimi pass no. Enye mo dadwen. But the moral aspect is when you walk more. And I hope when I'm not heaven. The moral aspect of failure, all of a sudden, teacher ni mo akwada ntino, ya teacher for 2 million from nsem, and a teacher for ekem, sa akwada boni eti mum, hwe obi ayo biba. Me bisa se wo ye teacher ni, na wo hunu se oyonko teacher ni aboba se ya, how will you feel? Eye di ankon. Eye di benkon, di ade. Yes, how? It just started must office or papa na atifie and the complain way by ya. E ko ni baji. E di adina kwala ye. Teacher ni so akwala no opona aso ni tipenso e na nya asem. E hwe no kra na masa mo pese bia beka. Most of our teachers no e school from ma no. O pen wa ampra na otano. Opano no ampena na for tane so send across most of our schools so share my no di koma opeka chiro atete some of them go through na to na ko na say yawo ye say wo ye student bema na wo ni gebi na ehye ho na teacher ko pege ne wanya na wo ni bema ko wo die mia wo ha betimi afeli. These are some of the things that are school. Enya ba ema kwada no abobrapa enya ba nagrat nat enya ba ye free pom suba na etia nete mumu bi na issue gather this ne mumu bi na issue gather this ne etete pa no mo amosia se ya bo mo ntino motimi ebo ebrapa nyina no mumu bi na mo ye issue gather this ebrapa. Girls of our age, na muni epre ho, mo jamo yires nchen. Ene ne brapa no. Mr. GS director. Sa adi we ya ewo ye education system no, we should deal with it. Teacher ni ye boni a, yes ya transfer from school A, ko school B. Me patcho school B na wo no subantantan na no sa de ko ho no. Subantantan no makase de ya mama na be say abaye dwuma de yenyi obi edi eti everybody be owo abadwuma bia no feel relaxed so betimi no pa bia because we na the say kim and this for sorry and ya kan se mesi ya and this ni ntin ye yi free education me wa yankobi se nipa na se some of these actions say your school. And GS it's time say ye dey na be see from nipa wa ya dey ense fata no o se pam no. Ni enya se ye transfer free school A akọ school B no ense sa no. This head assistant headmaster some investigation he should be dealt with. Yen ka see your forces say your school nimfa ne pe MPM free school mu. And ye nyina so for say school ni nya genjai e school no so beti obi ba abuni se de na de bia meka me makwasi nsia de onya me ba sei emfa ho ni kabno mienu ba ko bedem na meka kire no kra meka kire no me nu titani mienu no e ka me ma na mu a obedem enya ba na bebo me ba no ene me na ko heaven. That should be a focus. Teacher ni ekato say teacher ni obade e wo ba ba no obi adwane enye woni wu. Ye kate wa fo say wo kira de o. Ne kwa mani aposini ask ko hwe. one of the fantastic government teachers Oboinuko. Omo abao ba opia na etufo ni agye. Se no kira de ekura no me kakeke. And I'm here kasa bi fa. And Lucy says e come here say ye mass teachers and the boss ama no. Onso nkwa the mass so Ghana ye tia na etie. Me did ya questions here. Ye de pese mu eto aso asemi edika.
Entonces hace poco y ese especial pues puta para the work is and look at normal this one see come say competition special puta about say and you must and I mean because I back why do you feel policemen you have a very famous and you are seen you see how humble he is yes very humble. And I told you, he's a lawyer. I've met him. That is why every policeman wants to see him as his or her ID. Master, Alaji. That's how now, Mommy, you're crying. When I met him, I was surprised. Thank you. You see, humility. This genuine humility. Genuine. And yet the faithful humility. Yes, he's the one that we want. Now, when you say the you will see the outcome of the elections. Do you understand? And he's a true partner. The president is aware because of the way he's being treated.
He came with a CV, with a commissioner, Mensa, that I should, on the same issue, I hope you are getting what I'm saying. Yes, sir. On the same, going to see president for them to appoint that commissioner, sorry, somebody brought him to the office with him. Then I didn't want to take it serious. And the NDC presidential candidate has also assured him that he will retain him if he should come to power. Secondly, he gives slot to NDC presidential man, and even the late vice wife, they all get slot. They said when they are going to do recruit, they give your mama 300 slot. And the vice president wife, the late vice president wife, they give them 50 slot. That's what they said. I called Mr. Sari. I called him and asked him who sent the tip into public domain. And he banged the phone on me. Then I called him again. Then he refused to talk to me. But rather he sent a word through my son that would deal with me. That threatened me.
So what led to the recording of this particular conversation?
Mr. Chairman, the reason was behind it was that, look, they are coming to tell me to go and meet them, tell the president issues that they know or they are saying. Either I don't go to tell the president and then me and my party suffer for it. I cannot keep everything they were talking to me at that point. It was very, very good to record them.
Commissioner Sari, that was on tape.
Apart from Commander Sari, there was one man also later joined, called Commander COP Mensa.
Okay.
That he's on leave now, prior to his retirement.
Esaba kwa bebiem ebraso se yede mpensemu ebeto aso ede amawo just come by ye enkomodwetwe e course so enura e wo mrahye bedwafiem ad hoc committee ya mrahye bedwafiem chiamehene ate se onye nhwemu emfamfa tape bi ebeto odwa ese a police fo bi ene former NPP Northern Regional Chairman Bugri Nabu ekotwenko no opeko betimi anam so bi atu IGP Dr. George Akufudampare efri nakonya so ese police sahene ehon komodie na akoso na mote se eya owura bugina bu akwaje atumusampa tape no komo bi o so bia no no kra yakwa amaso na ye ne a member of the ad hoc committee on kwere say MP di ma ne hye wa west ekotwe enkomo no nyamfo Peter Tobu ona wote ya kemwa cha no pay eba bedwam dwumadi so
mina mpa cho me joso mpom design
ka upeja ne kakra ma me ona bo
mina mpa cho me ho ya pa no mpom design
okay eti ma ye misa enura enkomo twetwe ya owura bugina bu enemu bedi ye no as a member of the committee unhune say what's also please ne so crapping
Pastor Medas, Mammy Paquania was named chair na pena. Me chama dream tia mamo. Committee started last Friday and I invited our prime witness. Prime witness, the paramount chief of Namon traditional area, our former MPP Northern Regional Chairman, and now a council member, Chief Bugrinabu. Friday, no anti-member, and Osman, the lawyer for Children, on the King Yaman America. And I am man and Monday Ombra. And now they say, yo, and I'll buy on any lawyer to buy, on the peer committee and him. Me, I'm a chairman, Honorable Atacha, and I'm a vice chairman, Honorable James Agalga. It is Pimpim one is okay. The simple thing is that tape and the matter, the material in question is tape. So, young tape no BNTV. There be some questions. So, I bought tape now, my tape no go see. And I be some chief. And out here, I say, oh, I am in Mamma, I didn't got me and record here. And I think that the first line of duty, I want to authenticate the tape and I validate the tape. No, okay. I want to take it and checked. The tape has been validated, it has been authenticated for that matter, and no cry woman say, I pay the Baba Shah say, so yes, I say, and there be some questions. Okay. And the question be a bit on piano. Question according to me only say enokwe. On the lawyer form within the Chibakra, there was not even a single minute ya interrupted my client.
Okay.
Or Kasa freely for the period of time I yesterday when you could see it. Obiena, the Dana say and discharge. In summary, near could see it.
So can we say committee no more so far encouraged by a new year or Burginabu Edemamono?
The Pacho committee, Jima, would demand and say, young coffee, first of all, take no crack. Say no crime to the name I could come security related matters. Muhuye, no more recommendations, sanctions, common recommended sanctions. Say recommendation about my system, assistant at the bois internal security, I recommendation and bois. So a very serious matter, I hear. So the first witness and the prime witness, so Bano say, oh, take no crack. We can't record here. Or Mamma Mention, money. I think that all of us were happy. Yes, I deal with Ghana because sometimes all your committee of inquiry say na obi ebi no kwada ho no dia fa e ya na e hagin but also your in it no me chan tranje he ni o kan yin nyina ko si ye no if is a committee no e bi do from my if is enche dia judgment with the bit ma dia kwa wi.
As a former police officer who admitted sa nema e wo tape ne so ene ehubua na de back Ghana fom wakasa so oyam hyewo wa admission or admit ye no
me patch me that say. Or admit you know, me carry the first interview me my on this matter. Me say, I don't believe that a police officer wet his salt. But what can you me you know? Me mention the AI generated artificial intelligence connection be naba.
Okay.
By Enra, I was see gloomy. Obi and look say, oh, I am not correct. And a second, me cry me record it. Me see me trust it. And I'm say, hey, Ghana. But and also no credit I see the truth shall set you free. No credit at the end of the day, I think that internal security will be free and more effective. And I also think that at the end of the day, no, Dr. George Akubu Dampare NND with the IGP.
Yeah.
IGP Akunya Nankasano, a home beba Nyambeba Akunyano. So that's the reason why because Dr. George Akubu Dampare Assam, IGP Assam and Ayaka. And I can tell as a matter of fact, in every country, the IGP Akunyano fear. Obi a security person, the best right and I said that Peninsula. Because any panel to know, Akunyano, who feels here, what you know, be a better.
Yeah.
Now, Kano. So we fight as much as we can to ensure, say, Nakunyano, it will remain a very credible Akunya, Obi a better, not Masum Ghana.
Honorable, asɛm nipa bebreta kan sɛ ɛba ad hoc committee a ɔmawie nkonkosi aga ɔmawie ne nkosi hwee wohwɛ mo committee adwuma a mo start the nura ya mo ye ya so bi ka sɛ nkosi hwee a ɔne nipa kɔ bɛyɛ adwen
ba tell that say nipa no de obi atimi kyerɛ na adwen ba ne meka ne sɛ parliament aboma my referral under the signature of speaker say committee we mon kɔ hwehwɛ wei mon hwehwɛ wei mo wi a recommendation na mo ye binya mo fam beto parliament me here sa report no first week e bie first week na me here sa report no ye be adwuma ye the report no be ko ye be bobo ho parliament ye wi a parliament nan ka say the state member our position the position ne ba wi na say Ghana for say omunti and I say omampani say onti a say ye dey adwuma.
It is so
democracy mu na way.
It wo as a former
sorry.
It wo as a former police officer and now why MP e ba bambo semu a wonim hu bi okra de na wo ben former IGP ye pa. What will be your expectation after modwuma amoye?
It is not about my expectation. It's about what the facts will say. At the end of the day, you gather facts in you analyze it, you draw conclusions. Conclusion is the banner, and you never deny recommendation. So it's not about me might be better. Ya that bomwa, a bit boy, my ya Jimby, I bet is a bit boagana. Okay, oh, it is true. Make match imagine, but because it was media. Let's not jump the gun.
Ora mi jao amwako, every more advice say Dr. George Akufo-Addo Paris say because of some commodity, you can be a Konakra and resign for the security and the safety enter. Oh, no, me share sir, Argentine.
Well, so much resign because of the safety and security. Yeah, IGP resign. I say in Nigeria, because the IGP on only safety and security don't resign. Me know he never go. So me know say we are afraid of our safety and security. He never go. I don't advise, and I don't think now, but that's because when him say we are a national security position and a damn IGP. Yeah. Okay, when him surround the go catch the president and person resign. Open so resign for president catch the master. Chimana me dey amount. Obey you can't try it. What are you talking about? What can I say resign?
All right, we have a pay. Yeah, that's one your brand new tree come on pay.
Nothing.
But I'm just saying a tree come on a Marashibe January show Wild West or your former police officer Sanso and Abejokua. Honorable Samuel Atachia and no share Bugina Boo a tape Pia Monteno or can't Sabejokun Hubi. And then a tree and common. Someone can say former MP for Ablekuma Central. Yeah, what's Akobiem? I'm on for Bajan, so say, ya ton ye color TV, ya top black and white, Sabaji and BMU, Beneza. Nate, Ewa Hadam, so the former MP for Busa North, Honorable Timothy. Our trim, and so, what dear? Former MPs.
Association.
What if you are?
Oh, my main chair, yeah, for na main chair, my constituency for. Yeah, sometimes it's nasi na ushe near Koso, our parliament. Okay. Now, kumpong share with chi. Now share would be better man now or Hosananyama El Kosoa. Sometimes no, ema ofi efi ho. Then secondly, no, so you share what you are able to use your position for as an MP. Okay. At the Bao constituency. Now, unamo constituency, now question our constituency, and so now I wish I'm still there. So, in fact, maybe to me feel is when this particular session of Parliament, the 8th Parliament. Okay. Omunya Edim Papa. Yeah. There have been so many issues. From the swearing in of the speaker, and in fact, almost every session they will go, there's an issue. So Usha with Chia, when we were there before Impenifobi, in fact, and when you make the comparisons from 96 up to now, who say, oh, Charlie, there's a problem.
There's a problem with the 8th Parliament.
Oh, yes. I mean...
Quality number form.
Oh, not in terms of quality, but in terms of Nyama Ekoso. But sometimes people also believe that it's because of the way Anama is no etie.
Quality no crack the way cracker was Joe Wise. I said the quality now. the parliament na ye nim no
I am not undermining the integrity and the reputation of anybody.
Okay.
But the point is say, to be honest and sincere with you, when me share yen time, our 7th parliament, and I look at the first timers from both sides, both NDC and MPP, the first timers who share the enthusiasm, who share almost every time you get people on the floor to either make a statement, make some contribution to a statement, or debate on each. But this time around, no, so who share the first timers, now backbenchers, no, and they compare presently, yen time, no. Now they compare and say, oh, just a few of them. And no more, a friend is saying, the charisma, no somebody debate or more statement, just a few of the compared to your whole time, no, that first time is no endorse on both sides. So both obia per se or to me a BB, obia per se or contribute, obia per se to me a statement, obia per se do debater. I mean, want to be involved in whether sessional address and I say budget or anything. Biano, and you can see at that time too, most of the questions are a bar on the ministers about a year on piano. Majority now if you first timers no. And a bisa, what are you going to do in my constituency? When sometimes no who share who said there's a bit.
Yeah.
What if you
let me also say me chair a chef and a tier for me chairman and I'm chair chakra. Now me chair and then the hard working team of your cameramen. Then beyond that, I'm saying then I'm a first time on this platform, especially.
They say you're born so.
Yes. And first of all, we have a former MPs association. We do have it.
Okay.
So it's not by coincidence that the two former MPs are here. The difference is about no government, about no opposition. And also no, and I am their PR.
Okay.
We have the president, the secretary, and so on.
Okay.
But like he has said, it all nina egum. But there's also one thing to that as a member of parliament and as a senior public servant. Well, you went to parliament with some objectives. We call parliament. It said near maybe a hard constituency now. We feel say omo do ko honoma e be den obetima aboa ama sa niam na o ma resolve na say o corner say you are still wo sa niam na finfin ye adwuma no na so omo yiwa sometimes yes a constituency no omo mpe wasemo
okay
constituency because omo nye delegate to retain you are not an independent MP until you need the support of your delegates any and yeah no constituency. Sometimes no one year human we na constituency TH no more compare where Jumano said dear wabe take over from you and even previous ones now will take over from no one say wow my US channel now bo modern po asin the pana and come castle bo modern there but on one on beba have a cash say oh yeah sorry e kasa anka wona ho anka say nsi anka yenyewe na wo ho no po na project we na wo ye wan wie na wo gya ho call no still sa project be bi agina na ho na gina
okay
nti ne fisa wo ba obetima tour projects no amana de sempa aba ho no nti no it's a whole issue but it encompasses beyond that we are human beings and we have the one say we want to serve the people. So anytime you want to seek the mandate of the people, you still do that. Then you go and continue with your good jobs.
Quality now your war parliament is saying not dropping.
Yes, for the quality, say the million and normally it depends. The issues are many government doors. But if you look at the quality of the debate, yes, every parliament won the caliber of people they brought there. And the understanding of the issues and be able to and I said other correct. Yes, the quality can, but I think that it's not bad. We can improve on it by training and other skills of debate and so on. Especially so we share in a nationalistic aspect, you're able to talk better than all the time you are partisan. It makes your argument weaker and weaker by the day because when our parliament, when our abayamo, when I do manifesto about a manifesto you should be they should said they would boma among for there should be some humility on your part to accept that yes but better be a partisan
The government in power, their argument will be always weak and to defend and so on. But I think that we can improve it better. So I know the yes, minimum you are about quality. Or more leadership, no more car. Into no, I'm more beyond Magiano, poison. Your former MPs never to hand, you're condemning, so this thing is emanating from the leadership.
Okay. So happy birthday, Encore Efama Ranchum Berima. And then when you're 11 years. Oh, Papa Lawyer Chum Berima, member of the NDC National Communications Team. I say, oh, wish you all the best. Nyami, Einstein, no, you can say, Copim say, obey, Kese. So, Junior. Happy birthday, Encore F. Masanso, and happy birthday, Encore F. My CEO and my state housing company. Virus, and your birthday, you are +1 today. I didn't know when you're 23 years. So happy birthday, Virus. More any Juma Oye Ed Magana. Or Juma Oye and so I saw or do and so any a pam. Even. Meba Wama Yedi Komea started from the Nkwatia Presby Senior High School here, assistant headmaster. No? Yeah, and you're relieving off his position because of Aquada or Aquacobono. It's also a bedroom. Maybe they are questions here. Maybe I see. Omina Aqua BM Emfa Rampage and Pesemo Ebre Eso. Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. Sansuna Benya Biashe and so our YouTube. Follow me so our Facebook. Akwasi Insia. Where should be and so Honum. Amen. Yeah. Bugri na bu. Admitting say no kre recording no and sembi also be enwa a yentro and ye cut away paste bia na paste room e no kre sa man for ba men say omo bob park o catch them man penny say yem pam IGP because say owo honum a NPP ntimi break the 8 e shock you
Jamami before I be ba bugu na bo asem no me pese me kan Akwitia Akwitia Senior High School assistant head teacher Nyamonia waye in fact enra na me kan story no and I was me hu dwere me in a sense me hwe akwala no ninia in fact before na me kind story no na me hu akwala ni na I was thinking say bia because of your ban e bia wa or pono ho na e bia na nti me am you student you say na opo wenim but later me so let me read the story so me ko kind story no assistant head teacher beats students without getting their friends exact and I was like there I maybe kind the details of it. So I asked myself, so utumi bu obi ba to that extent. I'm not saying say my mu nkola no school, but now even GS kwapo dia ba say sa abuna e bu nkola no yenjai. But my main problem no was the state of akwala no nenim no eni neni. So, to be honest and be sincere with you, say obi wo ho a anase ye bo empire de ba kwa ye ka che ye ho anase be mi se bebre na bia ye physically challenge na say bi oye ni free he would preferred to be obi anenan anane nsa ye ne ya echen neni because nyame pengu but let's assume say wo fie na eja eishi eja ba na ebia sebi mbachomo fancheme eni freni wo fi ho obi asebi oye bubuani e wo fi ho obi abia ne nsa ana physically challenge bia bi wo ho na obi so obi onye physically challenge person I can tell you say no matter how the situation is no you try to run for your life
sure as not by dream so when you are down
si fasata and sana obedwin omo wo ho including any training so you can imagine obi asebi na ni hu ade na owo situation bi mu ana sebi o twa kwan mu de bi make say those physically challenged people no eye nyame
Yeah.
And a bomb who buy. But to extend say obiba ube bunu to sense u say unya aban fam bo akola no at that time. So o de wonsa. And in the naming the near saying no atai moja. Because honestly, if it has not been moja and Kenya to do.
Sure.
I want a near say. You see, I will just make a passionate appeal. Decision taken by GES.
Okay.
They should go according to that.
Okay.
Number sansu asre ye amanyo for. We may for politics. Enkoshim. The Biamika say the politics eshe nyememua. Ena yet to be kun assembly from the beginning.
Yeah.
Because Ushe Aqualana, I'm just praying. Said doctors are Eshe Aqualano. Bet me actually Aqualano will gain her sight.
Okay,
just
sorry.
As it is.
And no, I Dr. Nia Walshan and Dr. Amponsan Krufa. A Sherman Community Hospital. On his on the washer Nenino. Now, or say after so motion and his no master detect beam so yes and so. And so when ya issue kakra na small because of the we are born. ATMs also no we are as on na kwakoma EF4 no akoma ENT4 no mo so akwakɔhwɛ na so na hu kwan befa so ebetwa but say any the at least for now no as a age na so akra tie man be say within some few days no he believes say akra betimi asa agina na so pa ebi after that no also call ENT no mo kɔhwɛ na so no enso Dr. Ampoza Krofa nyam kopon sim shiraw
is it we ohun I feel a new
yeah.
Until I see a can waso a can waso. Because the two no work it together.
Sure.
And then you see ni and then aso. We might not know the next thing that Dr. Betway added 30 amaye.
Yeah.
And for me, I want to make this passionate appeal. Let's deal with the issue just as it is. Secondly, I want to say thirdly, a good counselor for the girl.
Yeah.
I'll bet to me in Akasa.
And the GS for a to one among.
Yes. Yeah. I bet to me in Akasa. The parents also need to get involved.
Sure.
No money, more encouraging. And I'm just praying. Say be on SS3, I'll prepare for the exams. And you know, we need to get all these things done. But the American to Ubekomu, and yes, it's not about Isaac Akolana, Isaac out there, Pia about you. Ubekomu, and yet Isaac Akolana day, and that teacher no pay Quasia Brabby or Persona Colana Bonacolana man quite. So let me take advantage of say what you would a pirate, Ubekomu, never be sir. It will be different thing altogether. It will not be exact as same cry. It's a mission or Misan can why be a Misan count there and then the same war. And now they're good in the mass.
It's so sad. It's so sad.
Very sad.
Yes.
Very, very. So I'm just praying. Say Akolano who betono.
Yeah.
Na sono e betono.
Yeah.
There will not be any other implication health where I be Akolano.
Sure.
Then she should go back and study.
Yeah.
Now bibi akoso ye e di amano.
Dr. Eric Nkansa, GS director say I go see, tell my former honorable MP, we are in charge.
And that's
it. Okay. Doctor, very good morning to you. Yeah, that's what you brother or share that of plenty. GS boss say Otmu A21 more say anything away regional director of education. So only a 7 free district for instance.
Correct.
Now on one take charge.
That's true.
And making sure say baby at me area. Honorable team.
Yeah, I say it's sad. We share girl in the picture, but most importantly, the Minian can Mejiso is 100%. I agree with him. But you see, a lot of challenges are in our secondary schools, especially on Corona and the Bano. We show me ages, they are in their tender ages. Bimpoko around 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Yeah, some come to school even after 20 years and so on. This anima way na me katam the number. I was in Form 1. I saw my senior exchanging blows with my master, brilliant master, and so on. Now, Korana would have an answer, and one or the master bit making her exchanging in terms of this. And if you're a teacher, me part the chair, so because I teach, you understand, and I know a lot that is going on. Me bano one of the secondary schools in Kumasi, one of the boys' secondary schools. Wa catch them near me, one catch them, one school students, number, no mamma ne bedi assembly. No, say, wa catch them, man and come,
Okay.
And that is what most of the students, they don't want their fathers to hear what is happening to them because they know your reaction to issues, is different from their mothers and so on. It was later on I got to know even the assaults are students. And their fellow students because they are seniors now is serious. Look, it's a big time matter. What dear, South school no master no. They will move all the second year students to a different block and make the teachers be sitting there to protect them. Okay. That is even from student to student. Okay. And that is what we expect teachers to do. Now, say, even if the child went out without an SZ that we are talking about, the child is a second year student.
Yeah.
Your teachers must know their students and know the stubborn ones and know the throw. Jumping walls, it's simple to verify. One am I yet? It's either your headmistress or your headmaster. Your housemaster or your house mistress. Yeah. It's simple, you go and verify. And you know. So that you know, not what year to me say, what G, SZ now, and then not to take an SZ is not this. Look, the psychological impact, the trauma.
But the question is, Honorable, for this case, assistant headmaster and
it goes beyond that. Maybe the teacher on D2 simply punish the child.
Yeah.
Or
another housemaster.
Another housemaster, if they'll just say, look, you're under punishment for going out.
The latter part.
You see, but I would not, as a teacher too, I would not say that cane should be avoided strictly. It corrects them in a way. I've seen what I've seen within this past years that I've done, and I know that. But to fiscally, this is an assault too. Yeah. It's not to correct, but to punish,
to use your
and
hand.
To injure. To use your hand. Look at it. Look at it, the child. You see. So GS have done well, but I also plead that the GS should look at the from all angles. Okay. The second should not be the best. Best as is the same part discussing. Well, no, said no, a chain punishment night by man of fiscally or sacking.
But we must, sir, at the way, sir, teacher near Bonnie Waha, into your transfer from school A to school B. And yeah, no, na encourage sir and near because after all, him say, me they are the worst form of say, you ever transfer me. A be as a mukrume imako in crooked to him. But so why you born in us and pass why bonnie I just to say bonnie. I don't hear transfer no. Because you born dear.
I say bonnie dear, it depends. Say that's my first time. Even court on power, he's a first time offender. That's what I'm saying. They use the GS rules, They should look at it holistically. Okay. They can interview Sana's assistant headmaster tier. Or yes, my brother's brother. Is that how the students they know, the teachers know. They can go further. They almost a lot of disciplinary actions against teachers. They should not be over-pushed because maybe a public we are discussing it and this thing. It has happened. It can even happen to its own. For me, they should go according to their own guidelines. But I think that to sack him, also on Quara, sometimes we have to look at it.
No, but I get it. The point is that you see, any institution, be a wobia. So be a BBA. Now, is it at this school? Yeah. And now Gaston.
At this school, yeah.
When is it not the senior house master net? Honestly, in that no. Yeah, in that the head teacher, any the assistant too, because Nipa is still sure musuno.
The house master.
So if wako abonting, when G Eziat, the first point of call is to call the house mistress. About the same as we appear. Yeah. And one G Eziat. If you know when assistant your friend's house master and house mistress no every portman you deal with that person too before you even come to you
the headmaster or the assistant
because who penny cra so on money say on deal because on money who penny no who dey akola na dey asho won sa it is say I will be eba anywhere they will not come and ask your friend say headmaster. Yeah. It is you, the assistant headmaster, or the house mistress, no, and the best friend. As you see what him for. Then they see what Hanum.
Yeah.
But who penny no mono, what take down about a form of a good who fee as yes, Director Nakano, I applaud them for the good work that they are doing. Yeah. But I want to beg them again, say, they should see to it, say, region for no so ebeye de se eye. Now come about say you do a transfer call a different place. We are quite the same thing. You see, it is not only in teaching. Any government institution, sometimes people feel that transfer is a punishment. Yeah. But it's not. It be now responsibility, and I say the can make another change in certain places. Yeah. As so for. Yeah. Now no say they so for chanka you didn't call your friend and say Bawi, you are transferring if you. Most of us are not happy. But president so you have to go. So obi me honestly, I don't agree with Timothy latter pastor on those who are ma. So on you be basa.
Yes, it has happened. That's what I said.
Yes, but at the end of the day, he also need to be punished.
Yes, I am saying they should be punished, but it should not be sacked.
Yes, I'm telling you, you don't know. Yes, but if you have even asked, your friend is saying, we are not even, I'm not giving judgment. Yeah. But if you are even that can say was required.
Yeah, titi bisa, but because of GS,
but it's because of playing one. Yeah. Or work and into the facts. But
as a teacher, you should know your students.
And you can see say, and yes, say be a wabun bako. Because danka wabun bako can the and yes, football obedience.
As a teacher, you should know your students. Some of the students are stopped. They can always jump walls and go. You see a man that you see, you should know your students. Do the moment I said this girl or Nyesana, at least you should know, you should temper your anger with no and don't chase a man because a more punish, you know. Okay. Me say, but absolute sack, no, I don't think it's the same. Because but it's true. No. But he has done the wrong. He should be punished according to the GS rules and so on. It could even be a demotion. It could be anything. Even the cost of treatment, because government will take you will take it. They are all punishment. They can reduce you in rank and so on and so forth. Then we'll move forward. But the mechanics say we have to look at the holistically. Yeah. Near is an simple solution to the problem. So I am not in any way saying that they shouldn't punish, but sometimes let's look at the whole issue and then hear from his side too before we take a final decision on the matter. Yeah.
But that
is your opinion. Yeah. I don't have any problem with that. So, but sack has not really resolved matters in this part of
maybe be a say so and so a year. Ebianka assistant and near maybe because
we've sacked so many people. Anas principally our the chief judges. The judges on the allegations on them still engaging in corruption. They just stop the judges from taking corruption.
But maybe be a for now.
I'm not in any way against. But
those judges now but say no to be there.
They're being cast, but the ultimate aim
bring some sanity in the institutions.
The ultimate aim is to stop judges from taking bribe.
Stop or reduce.
Any of those things. The ultimate, and that's why Crown is risking the life.
Have you given a bribe to a judge before?
No, I've not even gone before a judge. In fact, I went before a judge once. I'm a Shrag investigator.
Okay.
I've been with Shrag for 10 years as an investigator. Okay. Let me call judge name because the man I was pursuing the issue against, or the case in court, and now called file lawyer. And the woman had no lawyer, and I was forced that time. I wasn't a lawyer, but I was forced to go with the woman because the woman was even an illiterate woman from our place. I know about 2. That was the first time, so there was no judge. Luckily, to not judge, he empathized with me.
Okay.
Nipa na me call lawyer 2.
Yeah.
The man. But I'm of the cabinet.
So say, my boys, Edisika, because boys are brave. But I just said from Monday
throughout the week eko nyina game park eba wakwe bebra so say be won the draw for ne anopa game park up next game park results no na aba ama won 9 6 6 and 2 we need the winning numbers ya anopa draw we winning a odem we winning a wo awia 12 wo enwre 6 ye be sa abo e de ama wo e be starting from through so Bugri na Abu IGP plot.
I'm saying no last week.
Yeah.
And Nanka, the former regional chairman of the MPP in the northern region, as I say, Oyo Hene, Daniel Bugri na Abu.
Yeah.
Now, as I say, or appear before the Accord Committee or Parliament into investigating the audio be about Bontain alleging because until it's been proved, you to me who not womb.
Yeah.
And I think say it came right after a fear say north a buy. And then the deputy minority leader, Amaku a raised on the floor of Parliament. And then each speaker say you be investigation. Na speaker so it's a 7-member committee, and the 7-member committee is made up of 3 from both sides of the house, and then 1 person who name the political affiliation, but we all believe say or a neutral person added to the committee. In fact, me Speaker at the Accord Committee by personally, now I'm not in support of it. In a sense, most at times, see a year Accord Committee and a committee BI or parliamentar, you end up by not getting to the substance of the issue.
Okay.
You end up by not getting reason they say you know, no minority report, no majority report. Because say in favor majority they have an issue.
Yeah.
In favor minority they have an issue. So you who say, to be honest with you, for my 4 years in parliament, minim cash for seat, wait for say. You know. In fact, even sometimes, even budgets. Your minority report and majority report. So sometimes we will say, then where are we headed? Because committees to get to the substance of the issue and deal with it just as it is. But the parties are not saying. In this case, last week, and your friend is saying the former special assistant to
former IGP.
Former IGP.
Yeah.
MP
for Wild West.
I've begun to like him.
Okay.
Last Friday, Echo.
Yeah.
There was a media, your friend is saying, circulation say, one man in a coffin. In fact, there's one TV station. Akwebitio insulting Bugi Nabu and all over. Later, then I heard this man speaking on radio. Eka say, so biaka say Bugi Nabu amfa ebuo ama committee na onipako no boa. Na Bugi Nabu etro edi ma your friend is saying
lawyers.
Ni lawyers etro edi ma committee ni say on feel fine. Intino yemfa no nche enra.
Yeah.
Which is Monday. In fact, also lawyers didn't let us buy no. They were in the committee meeting no more they buy. They made sure that the lawyer called Bugi Nabu on phone and put on speaker. Everyone money near Pampem, your friend said, Edin Komo, and Buga was, oh, how come on Monday, Yamia Dom?
Yeah.
Minister Bedumandami Huatome, into Meba. And this were the worst of the police, the MP, who is a member of the committee, who is also a member of the minority. Nanka Obia, or the politics, this morning, I'm also impressed about the way he has responded. Also, Wanyeni partisan.
Yeah.
He was speaking as a former police officer, somebody who knows the security situations in our country, somebody who knows the implications are. If we are here. So sometimes it is good. Now my politics no and deal with him and take a decision be a ebeboa or mine. Yeah. And no abu na abu ekoye. In fact, I watched a little of your friend is saying engagement with the committee. And he was really on point. On a normal circumstances, Bugunabu, as I know, on a normal circumstances, in fact, me and now maybe me expect to say Akwawi or make a cookie can. Yeah. But yesterday, his poster, he was taking the thing one after the other to extent of admitting. Yeah. Say yes, I recorded him. Also, yes, yes. Because one, me nimno. Yeah. Also, even when the person calls said or person said they are same. So you can see all his interactions with he narrated everything. Yeah. So you'll be a see on pay on money. Yeah. Now I am passing he want a Jim Bonnie a party because that was what was going on with the minority. And IGP. He could have kept the team. And I'm a sure. Because it's all MPP. Even those that say, oh, we don't charm or your henny. Yeah. It's still in his blood. But Okoye and Ra or the Bibia Kotu as expected. Eyi ni baku. Ebu was say be more onim omu station. Yeah. And Obi bet me about. They said there are frosters around. Sure. Maybe he recorded because of the person now waban honum no. Yeah. Because people use people's name.
Okay, but Adeba also can say a security matter. Untimi ko mampeni nche ne nkodi sa nkomo we ya adanse bi ntach.
Exactly.
We muso nye letter no mo de bae.
Exactly.
En komo de bi to no hia bibi e be ye evidence of the command president onka so no bugri na abu na ebo de trim.
No, say e ba ni say. Yeah. Obeko na de nye no kwakwa akoguni ni mu asaye den a chairperson. Yeah. So you can see say he mean what we were doing. Say on person be call president Jenima ka so Timothy or say ni where evidence was him. So before going to the president, he want a concrete evidence. Yeah. No, I will say yes, indeed. This is the mindset of Dampari. So it tells you, say, at the back of Bugri Nabu, no, only Adrimboni Bia. Yeah. And he just wants everybody to know, no crying a woman. So me, I applaud him. In fact, uhu onawa attachia ebisa no questions now. Yeah. One funfum ewo bibiemu. Nda me ka say on the normal circumstances.
Unya bugri na bu say.
Unya no sa. But ube who say he mean business and just as your colleague say the reporter ne kan no. Yeah. The judges the lawyers no kan no. We're not even interjected. They'll give him the chance. Kasa. Committee no so anhano. Yeah. Because they are getting information from them. And I think that for me, he has done well. And I hope and believe those names that he mentioned will be really identified. Yeah. And then they will also be called to come and face it. Because like I said, your friend is a Mensa, no? Yeah. He mentioned his name as Mensa. Yeah. Obi who has said you about baby. Sure. Into bet me cancel. Obi who has so ebe de can so no kwe.
But say election ti ye bo posi ye IGP mfro onye sa ye ntimi break the 8.
You see the point is that enye obia oni ne ye ejuma ene pe wasem. Okay. Akonya otis wo. Obi nya obi yin sesi anape. Yeah. Enso no wo sre. Oni ni kwa kodidi wo heavy do. Yeah. Set e am ta shasha wo. Obinya enso ni ne kodidi o. That is how people nipa da senate here. Sure. People are applauding IGP for the good work that he's doing. But there are other people in the service who think, they can be better IGP than him. So we should have people think against him. It will be behind a nipasu.
Officer yes, ye memam pose IGP e mane kwanta fa ba bia mampede betimi yi no.
You see, two Quen say.
Okay.
Now, politicians and any IGP, I'm telling you. Reason of saying this, and I will say it just as it is. Oye bibi krapwa eye krana.
Yeah.
The majority or the MPP people will say oh, they kind no so ye bibi even to make sure that the things are done right. 1% MPP for no break 8 into yes sir. So this matter for us to get to the root of it. Na menu meaning na hu ebetoye. Na ye da as Ghanaians. Na police for anyen na. We shouldn't make it NDC and MPP. Because the NDC and MPP will not get anywhere.
Tim.
Yeah.
Bugri Nabu.
Leak tips. Bugri Nabu. Police Capone matters arising. You see, leak tips, are very doors under this government. And most at times, the leaks come from the presidency. What tier, Bugri Nabu was only used as a conveyor belt to send the discussion, the plot to remove the IGP, to the president for the president to take action. That is the far by any BBA, you understand? Bugri Nabu also say, so co-president or person concrete evidence.
Yeah.
Or corner president didn't be some audio shows and conform on back kind of assembly in ye. Now, many also said initially he didn't want the issue to be investigated because of the majority reports. I disagree a little bit, not absolutely, because one, Nipa now was setting up committee, He's looking for the objective of the committee and what will come out. It will serve as reforms for such institutions. And as a result, it is the Obia report, any implementation. Said the report, but said the white paper, a whitewashing near the twin can say, yes, I was West Wagon, a year by and you use white paper in the face of glaring evidence, use of white paper, whitewashing. Now, that is the issue. It is not the investigations body that is involved. Two, one, and I may hope at the end of the day, it will lead to reforms in our institutions, insulate them from partisan politics, and that will have institutions that can stand the test of insecurity and protecting the people and the constitution of Ghana. So when you're a group of people, security people, to go to a regional chairman, and their only plot against the security capo of the police is not because we are incompetent, but because he's alleged to be an NDC, partisan IGP. No more influence, to mean the elections. It is a crime against the constitution and the will of the people of this country.
Not even when the IGP so and pampas so to an amount be a best serving as a block. One penny for an motu mo a to more.
Mentua in us.
Sir Kobasa and pampas IGP so mo to be a wotu. To their favor the opposition party.
Yes. According to them, because seminar it came after the Asinov. Yeah. And our monomagian and Sanka Asinov no Mokonankomo order a different IGP and MPP IGP and command Lucy. Until they break the 8, that is what it is. Break the 8, Some of the IGP will call elections are break, I'm a buruna, but so Casano, a man, Anus, no push shaki. Wakaza. I was saying Anu, Wakaza, the two, Anus, who Anus Shakia. Why should be Anus one? Say Shakia, you know what? That was the way he used my head. I've gone wrong. So you can understand the gravity of the issue, and including the police, have a responsibility to say we will protect the sanctity of the voter through election, the will of the voter through. We also have a duty and response to protect the constitution. Obia obe plotty. Either from the beginning, Sana coups start you. They start as normal discussions.
Yeah.
They start, can we do ABCD? Then they will start the next gather momentum, then to explode in our face. Yeah, who need you coup say, you know, I can say coup de debida.
But okay, it's all about your shady way. Say, per tape now by say Bugina Bua confirmed. On the tape, so no, Bugina Busa Ekabi, say, IGP or Tiswing. Any former President John Dramani Mahama ewo twaka because of unkomodi so modi and the assurance say Mampenda da Mahama dia ma the current IGP say o we need 2024 obema na betwa so enu nti yesi we twa 300 slot for police recruitment and the former president if say sa na we nso eye true a enye hu fa ma yese IGP work in the interest of an individual.
You throw it to the Marines. Ade. So now IGP Kasa, I am born say former President IGP Kasa. That's the first thing. The second thing too is that IGP no can say no Kasa no or evidence that say IGP na Kasa no one report so they call Burinabu to use Burinabu as a conveyor. Police and national security don't they have a channel of reporting suspected issues that they are working about your IGP. You can't call national security, don't call the Minister for Interior. The Vice President, for God's sake, is the chairman of the council, the police council.
Yeah.
You cannot channel is to go and do a gossip and to plot against using a regional chairman of the MPP.
Maybe a partisan approach. Maybe also far no. I'm seeking for partisan defense too.
No, what is partisan about is appointing IGPs. Look, what they did.
Okay.
Inspector ACP Agozo and his group are alleged to be planning to overthrow a government.
Yeah.
They are currently before the court. And yes,
sure.
When the president, when the Nyantechi case in the Bayano, it was allegation from the tip saying that the president would get $5 million. President Nyana also anus shaking no. He quickly handed over the issue to investigations body to do.
Okay.
You understand? So at the end of the day, we expect someone submitted this bipartisan report today. Those people should be hauled before a competent court of justice to have their day there. I mean, say it hasn't ended. Say, the names that have been mentioned will come up in the day.
Yeah.
But it's a serious matter.
Okay.
And also, they even talked about money. And we can say, one team called president of the BB we don't know what he's going to say about those things. And I think that it is a blot on the presidency that any time it comes to bringing money on the chef president, it could be true. No, that is not my issue. I've heard the allegations so much. Say even now for the regional chairman, those are things that the president should be in a position to clear himself off. To clear himself off. There are security issues, there are issues concerning President Nana Addo Dankwa. He promised the people of this country to protect everything, to ensure institutions are put in place to work. To bring peace and to bring security. Okay. He must be seen because the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. For that matter, he's also the chief security capo in this country.
But I say, other way, but is need na te a former MP Madisha Ablikma Central. Our team a former MP for Busa North. Midi the accuracy is your channel pa. You better say background.